看我这 topic 是叫做 QQ 嘅代志。
OK。
那咪講就係到啲 price 嚟講，but now to hold now 嘅 timing 好。我去 Facebook，我看QQ。
而家好似嘅。
啊，毛毛菇嚇。
你看
這個回聲，
佢派聽你聲。
其實就紅線啊，都叫紅線啊。
OK，等陣我冚掉紅線。
冇好，你聲乜只？你聲乜只步啊？實講嘅。
當劍咧？
啊，當較好淡薄。
啊 ，OK。
較好淡薄啊。係。
仲有我講你啦，但係我就係我講住咗。
應該在。你要教我講的，but 咱特別 hormat 人嘅 decision。
OK。
OK，I start 啦嚇。hello，各位聽眾，我聲個聲準啫，我係你安怎啊？我係你 system computer 俾佢先一個在派我聲。Anyway， 各位聽眾，歡迎我再嚟收聽邊啲學嘅節目。即係禮拜咧，我能講嘅話題咧是較要緊特別，你定住到啲咧網頁係看到一物件，我就被大漢人 ignorance 所以我特別起來證明未講嘅這代志。即係禮拜我未講 QQ 嘅代志 ，QQ 係咩 ？QQ 就是LGBTQ 嘅代志 ，gay、lesbian、transgender、bisexual、queer topic 哦嚇，แล้ว我這裡禮拜特別嘅邊咧就是老椒毛毛菇
，hello，
歡迎，你邊個背？邊個背？
邊個？
喲，你幾會呢？你實在會攞，你當你話咩？你話咩 system？你都冇上去咯。
係我查啦，接啦。OK， 好，啊，查接啦。
哈，個水啊，等一下。
先。
了個老椒啲我啲都歡迎。
Hello。
了個老椒Putu Mayam歡迎。
Hello。
了個新疆馬路個來應啲來是古一個時候，但係古一個時候會嘅朋友都頭一擺來嘅啦，真是。禮拜你浪到啲來時，家己聽定家己講。依家就隨條邊咧學嘅咧，大家幾歡迎。
Hello。
大家幾的四杯機，咪幫杯機，杯機啊，拍杯機。Anyway，呢個有 Skype 拍邊 ，Skype 拍邊個有人啊 ？Skype 邊有大粒頭個，啲我唔知。Hello，大粒頭個大邊個？
我車幫困。
幫車。OK，嚟，這是做咩事會做好啊？未打鼾，我被做之類節目嘅就是，未講。定住係做咩馬胡丁啊咩？
Mujahid 啊。
嚟講 OK，maybe 我可能講嘢歷史啫，講係咪 set up 嘢即係 situation 性 about 你 Georgetown 係咪嘅？我哋都嚟 recap。
OK。So basically 你。Actually, even this story will go back to last year when Yang Zhe actually was for Malaysia at 60th Independence Day. So Yang last year already actually 夾出來啦喂，然後有嗰啲咩啊，係多 gallery 可能看啦喂。So anyway, this year for Construction Festival 呢嘢都再夾出來，但是when you have sini, so to hold this Sunday when you have 係two of my friends, Pang and Misha, 嘢小英片呢一定係被講佢哋係 LGBT activists. Okay, labeled as LGBT activists. So because of 有的人呢就拿这 opportunity with the new government，所以就拿来炒咯，炒大咯，讲讲哦，是这 new government support LGBT 啊，then the masih lah the start 乱了咯，then after that the 听讲 this the religious minister masih Mujahid instruct the Joshua Festival the organizer Josie to take down the photo lor. So Josie he took down the photos. So when now masih start讲乱了咯 because of the issues, especially among the LGBT community. Of course the local, I mean, sad to say, unfortunately, the local Muslim community 唔是起來亂這物件 because 講 they feel that as Muslims they cannot support 這物件啦 and then which in 落來 after all the issue, then now it started become violence against the LGBT community.
我唔知。
Baluka this few days ago 呢，這裡 transformer negeri Sembilan orang transgender transgender 啦。然後 yesterday
我就是被打喊的是講 ，OK， 那是 little bit on religion 嚟講呢，做咩事嘅 religion 嚟講 against LGBT community，但 at the same time 你去你話變做當佢變做 physical harm 嚟就。
Then yesterday misalnya Blue Boy was raided 嘛。
Blue Boy 係咪 club 嚟
Blue Boy is our Malaysia 地股嘅機巴嚟。
OK KL OK
對，係老阿妹嘛。
Region Hotel 阿妹
所以啷知做咩事這代志咧是做咩事這個代志是我未提起來講就是啷個人知這邊個人變咧Hokkien條狀，個人知我嘅其實叫知講我有我未見嘅了，所以。อันนั้นคนที่我看到，อันนั้นคน的是哈，一直在想我，因為這些一個 topic 哈，一個 issue 講我，一個是我自己不經驗過的 issue 哈，所以我被提起來講是來看。然後我就是講政府我冇插入係咪政府，那是講你做唔到是唔對。我聽到你伊是 religious minister 呀，這個
Mujahid，伊是 state 個是係咪嘢？
伊是 federal 咁。
federal
哦，伊是 federal 嘅。
特別 OK number one realistically，我冇 expect 講最新嘅政府啦，我好像 Malaysia 變做 LGBT friendly 嘅，我冇 expect 嘅款。But 如做唔到，我冇插入是多謝政府，我本事特別提起來講。所以我講唔對，就是只啦，一隻 misinformation。特別先至第二個 conversation 嘅 press conference 㗎係Mujahid 㗎 Nisha，佢時期我 at least 我係可以擔保 benefit of the doubt to back to 你 Mujahid。at least 呀 ，even though 伊講嘅物件，就啲 press conference 講嘅物件嚇，伊係。idea 就 confuse 咋，一個記者 confuse 講，我唔是you know，唔是 part of the LGBT community， 就講，喂 ，that she's the T girl，you know， 你時一個講，一個幾 confusion 是比較緊 ，but at least you open for conversation to talk about 呢個 issue 咯咋，呢個 violence，but it doesn't seem that's helping， 但是講我 start 把你有人講，有人有 violent cases 就講到嚟到Seremban啊，得咯。
Seremban 嚟。
So 咧我 track 啦 ，OK， so what's your thought 讓別人 opinion？
Us or the not from the community 嘅人？
Anyhow, anyone？ 我會from Singapore 嚟Putu Mayam， 你聽到這 news 或 Putu Mayam？
有啊，我有聽到，我有看到 news 啊。
我你 from 嗰邊你看你按照你 reaction 係？
我感覺到嗬，it bring up 出嚟嗬 ，just to avoid 係 marriage 啊。你唔是 latest 有一個 kids 到11歲咩？第三個 wife 對，我感覺到嗬， 為咗愛 escape 之類物件，伊夾個之類 issue 起來 to cover
distraction。
對 distraction because
後面我唔知另外隻 issue 上面兩細講我聽。
at the same time here at the
十
same
一
time
歲，
十一歲 OK 伊 second wife 伊 second 樣換
住 second wife。
有一個
third wife
那邊啊 OK 伊
對
個
對
OK 伊先嚟看伊個 second wife 都唔知 Facebook 還是 Twitter 翕伊個 third wife 嘅小英就講 OK I think 在 Facebook 翕咧，伊就只無咁樣寫一個 statement 講，講這就是伊第三波11歲呢，所以這個物件變 viral。OK， 咧伊翁吼，夾這囡仔吼11歲囡仔吼，到大人那邊教因都知哦 ，because 到 Malaysia 吼，老時間愛帶囡仔，愛帶這囡仔。
大波二波係 blessing 嘅嘛。
No, because the girl is still underage。伊11歲，所以。對，你特別到 Malaysia 後，你愛帶第三波 underage 嘅後，你特別 go through 唔知樣 Muslim 嘅係咪 associate 啊 agreeable，你個會使帶，所以 skip 這你就一走去泰國那邊教因。所以這個嘛 bring up 真係大代誌咯，真係人哋講about這物件，你咪會使。
意思個人等你係咪大陸人嘅呀？還是
normal
citizen 啊
normal citizen 呀，normal citizen 嚟呀。
要帶隊，要帶隊，Ustaz masjid kedua 嚟。
哎呀，whatever Ustaz 我感覺到伊個帶隊是真係 small 幾呀。So because of 這 issue 可差較真係大。Even 係咧最即個安怎會找我們夾起來講。bring up 到parliament嘛，你樣無行 cover because 樣無一個 proper answer，so they use this LGBT 物件來 cover，so 一查一個嘛，人就袂記這數了嘛。
我唔知。
樣嘅這我看嘅時候就會樣，我看嘅時這 story 我就感覺真奇怪，伊 answer 袂到，咧 suddenly all the sudden 哦，伊嘅這 LGBT 物件查大。所以根本是嘅 create a distraction， 伊 distraction 呀，你知哦。伊無 answer， 所以就嘅 LGBT 來講，伊講伊個講呢，伊講一句話，伊講囡仔Muslim 嘅攞嚟邊又會使錯幾個波11 years old as long as 來 menses 就是 approve 會使錯咧 something like that。
這是狀況。
one of 伊係主啦 the guy who 講 about 隻 LGBT 咯。
我哋啊，伊 religious minister 啊。
對咧 after that 伊講吼 the thing that we have to worry about now is LGBT 我心內邊想 fuck you 啦即係嘅 already 真久咧按照你去嘅 LGBT 來攞到人嘅身軀
我做貼龜啦就是貼線
唔能做貼龜
你知唔知 if 伊係講 LGBT 吼定到嘅時啊 before 這唔見 Malaysia 是 LGBT 對這說樣還那人做這你知喎
對
這唔是，我會 clarify，這裡唔是 ethnic 嘅 issue， 這裡唔是 religion 嘅 issue。I mean religion 有樣嘅 issue，特別這裡是，
我明白你講係咪？我明白
power issue。
because 你看 ，if 伊愛嘅 LGBT 來講啦，對，你愛嘅你 Muslim 你 whatever 來講啊，你是唔是叻嘅咧？你換哪啦？
because
你換哪啦 LGBT 做這，你知唔知？
就是換啦，even though 你看 ，OK， 是美國唔好，你唔講美國唔是真好，美國唔成日看成唔是只 religious right 嚇，佢哋唔是用這個 subject 嚟做嚟power issue 嚟嚇，而嚟樣做變做 control 人，哦，你是 Christian 咧，你特別是 against 你 LGBT 嘅。
actually 我感覺到係 LGBT 又好，冇 LGBT 又好，我本是人嚟嘅嘛，so what's the problem？
是啊，我
感覺到 I don't understand 咯，對 ，what's the problem？
我覺得當件事，即是差別婚，還是差幾條接嚟？
差別婚，
差別婚歡迎。
Hello，大家
好。你就講講話題哦，你接嚟。
係 LGBT 嘛？
來，你嘅 reaction，你就講咁樣講你Mujahid講嘅物件。
唔知講係咩
？OK，阿聰講啊，定之時講個Georgetown Festival 時要攞條小英嚇。
小英嘅嘛。
哈。So OK，咁我未兩看你想話咩物件？我特別我未看當今。lu lang kam ka especially na si lu ka identify as LGBT lu rasa tio tong kim 这是唔是 issue？我聽有人opinion講啊，這唔是 big issue 啊，咩物件？我未聽過講誒，我家己聽我看只玫瑰白啦，伊玫瑰白唔是講伊唔知伊個 information 就 confuse 就樣成個參只物件，佢唔知樣佢講咩啊？嗬，咧伊個用嚟 publicly 講 as a reason，一變就 confuse 人個了橋就。
一個就係嘅是 Marina 嘛，係個是出嚟 support LGBT。
嚇，伊有出嚟講咯。
我一直講咩怪啫。
伊唔是講咩？伊發你內嘅人嘅 poster 寄落嚟係，伊嘅 poster
伊想不
小英不寄落嚟啊
？OK，我都是會會啦。
In the end，只人係小英寄落嚟嘛。In the end，只人叫人小英寄落嚟。
會有 support 啦 ，for support 呀 ，solidarity 啦。
只集人嘅小英嘅咧，人叫寄落嚟。
我覺得我感覺到即係成日講嘅咯，人家嚟做 politics 嚟 control 你。我覺得這唔嘅是正，我感覺這唔嘅是正簡單嘅。What's the problem？我感覺 frankly speaking, LGBT has been along for how many years already?
Forever since
定到 already 有了就係，唔係講往中國係你太監嘅事，係你點成不有了
？Qing Dynasty。Because
你咪講係 human 啲有人嘅時度有啊嘛，唔是講是。
古了誒，即係唔係 this thing has been there for
特別
這years already。
這個 ignorance 這唔知嘅事啊，所以你這人佢哋亂講嘅，你 consent 又唔對 information，一變做你唔知諗去聽咋，所以你 better 唔通去聽，你去聽啲你白嘅人啊，成個話啊，你聽。
我啦，我係人係我 even 都你看，我睇到是 free thinker 啦，定到我是 Christian，OK， 我 even 都真係人 religious 嘅人甲我講嗬，我被100% 相信㗎啦，我自己去想，我是咁樣嘅人嚟，I'm this kind of person，所以
blindly believe
我被 blindly，even 你 Bible 點學我甲我講，佢哋唔記嚇 ，sometimes I still have doubt。Because Bible 嗬，唔是講 challenge。
Bible 唔係人嘅。
It's written by human.
You are right. Because 你看，頂到嘅人有可能樣講啦，有可能樣講 A， 有可能是 aeroplane，特別 interpret 嘅人講，有可能講 A for apple 咧，你話咪是笑？你話相信咪 A apple 咯？對唔對？
你特別看，我講，我冇 OK，so number one，我冇 expect 特人特別 accept，but 你特別如果冇插你 accept 即是你個基本的，你特別 respect 我 ，because 我是 human， 我是隻 individual human being。So
你 agree 啦啫。
你咪 agree to 我嘅 thought 係你咪是免咯，你我冇插你係想咩你數？
你成日係直人講嘅咯，你who is that guy 啊？只 Q 嘅，伊咪 complain about 我人嘅 stewardess 係啥？伊講看咧未係咪咧？伊講冇 if 你看未看，咁就咪看到
陸Ministry of Transport
啊，伊咪講是講你感覺未爽，你咪看啦。所以就 same thing 咯。if 你感覺到 LGBT， 你看咧未過件是未愛聽，咪聽咪看 ，walk away。對，因為無講調啲開你把就叫你看我啦，我是 LGBT 對，你感覺未啱，你咪行走咯。What's the problem？
當看白行行啦。What's the climate 嚇？sometimes 冇講起嚇 topic，人都是點嘅了咯。I mean 我就係講人到底人嘅 society 唔坎坷啦，坎坷愛出來成個 US society 嚟啦。In fact 啊，我把你個做一個 Penang 叫咩啊 ？Penang magazine 啊，係我聽到 interview 啊，伊幫把你個 interview 啊 about 即係 LGBT 嘅 issue 呢，講安怎到底馬來西亞是安怎我大漢細漢時，我就會 go through 物件，加當今安怎要問我啦，到底 US。
我唔知啊，我 understanding 嗬 LGBT 嗬，LGBT 嘅人啦 become a threat 是 because 嗬，即係 religion bring up 嘅，我感覺到。if religious 冇嘢出嚟講我。成 normal 很啊，我感覺是無數嘅，成往 normal 嘅人很貴呢。
Don't agree about 你 panelist？
是 religious 成，係你 religion 啊，嘢嚟講啊，可能唔見啦。Then that's why start out 真係人感覺到我看唔起 LGBT 啊，兩個人怪啊，成咪 funny thing。But if you imagine 啊，if all this stupid religious 嘅物件無 bring up 這物件啦，無幫行嘅路啫哦，是無物件嘅啫。
是啦，但兜嘢出嚟講嘅嘅咧，religious 係人嚟嘛？
對，一個 Islam， 一個 Christian，
特別唔是，伊唔是，阿咪唔是隔離啦。老實講 ，because 我 because 我 grow up 是有 Catholic 嘅，那 Catholic church 不是 majority， 啊人是 against 我睇。But still 有成個我咧Jenny 我嘅 priest 嗰咧就 open 嘅，都問我人講，你話有蝦米 subject 有時實 church 做冇教好多人嘅，所以你成講你 feel abandoned 嘅上面一個每，所以有伊唔是特別，成個我咪只係 Muslim 嘅，whether not 伊人家己是 LGBT or 伊是 ally 嚇。Muslim 嘅唔係真正 open， 我有一個頂節是我來我做工嗰邊我就人會烘啊邊，
唔是穿開聲嚟，Mayam，
哦，就不得穿開聲。然後 anyway， 我能請我做工嘅，請一個panelist 嚟講 about 會教嘅嘢。然後意思所以讓 panelist 嚟講咧是會教雜波啦，然後爆頭嘅嚟講，因為 sometimes 都在到啲美國當劍票，人講到會教誒只驚，都就係人講咧成 Islamophobia 嘛。然後咱冇成人成日大漢到啲咩，所以咱唔是講成唔把學嘅咧美國啦，就有時好像報道嘅時候，咱嚟台灣嚇。然後我咪是請我有咧成只 prominent 嘅人成做只。做 charity 啊，不是 professor、doctor 咩啦，嚇，人家是 Muslim 嘅就我嚟講咯，人家是講講 Muslim women at the power of Muslim 嘅 women， 即係人是 misconception， 就是講嗰啲是查某都是無權力啊咩嚇，有啦，就是講咧私人面咧坐在一會人，佢係做派咩先咯，因為依度查某就講講，伊講我人加 LGBTQ 嘅queer LGBTQ 嘅 community。做我人嘅 spread 我人嘅 message， 因為我人 feel 到我人是做marginalize， 所以人 Muslim 嘅查某人覺得參咗 LGBTQ 啦 march for 伊人 ，because 人 feel 到人哋 marginalize，because 是 LGBT 你條人看你無想白看你，還是你是會教查某切有爆頭，所以看到人無想白看你。所以伊人覺得做這下，伊是想着伊需要做這做，所以唔是覺得有會教人，唔是有反對還是覺得 Christian 人唔是有反對。LGBTQ
啦。But Muslim 我感覺到樣真呀貴根本啊，係咧 LGBT 樣無可樣去接去 mosque 裡面 pray 咯就。完全無可樣接去。
I'm not surprised 啦 ，I'm not surprised.
Yeah, but I
mean especially 即係 trans
I don't think it's the right way 啦，因為 mosque church 是一個像是 temple 好你去做 prayer 嘛 ，you got no rights, you know, it's between you and the God。你是 trans 又好 LGBT 又好 is between you and the God， 按照你咪可以接嚟 who are you to say that person cannot go in？ 對，所以我感覺啊，可能人吼 actually 是有問題，伊樣頭腦嘢有問題。
But the problem 是講你 see you as 你有問題，同時講伊都冇講我有問題，嗱一個人 support 伊，講安尼。
last time 啦，我相信有嘅人 long time ago 唔是這 generation 啦，頂到嘅人冇 support LGBT is because 攞嚟上 gender 嘛，所以樣未成講 go to another generation 啦 ，next generation，樣講講，樣講我嘅 human population 冇 ，but now 我人嘅 medication 唔是 overpopulated， what I mean is that 我人睇下 already 按照講啊，當science 嘅 medication 這邊學 already 真呀 advance 嘛 ，so as long as 你有 response， 你會使去下邊去有家己囡仔 ，what's the problem？
On top of that， 同時講㗎啦，99% of population 是嘅 LGBT。
對啊，
就是話你少冇講冇安尼濟嘛，有人就是驚講你條。哎呦，你看到你隔壁啊，唔是呢個另外一個問題，你隔壁啊是嘅啊，你望喺跪掉啊，跪掉你問嘅嘢啊。
你笑啊，這唔是病嚟嘅，唔是病嚟嘅。樣 actually 冇明白好 gay 啊，好 lesbian 啊，好 actually got to do something with 我哋嘅 human hormones 嘛。有嘅人係成日聽到我白掉一個 guy， 伊嗬是。Okay, it's straight 咧，but because 伊個 hormone 已經吼，你看伊看成娘娘腔啊，嗰個寫查甫，but it's straight 咧，伊有 girlfriend 咧。 所以唔捌伊嘅人看到伊遐嘅 pattern 吼，你感覺伊是 gay？
係呢個另外一問題啊，同你我上次嗰時 discuss，係人嘅社會嚇，正係但係咱唔講到定責佢隨時人講到，咱嘅社會咧是看查某是較假，所以查甫是較懸。你若是講查甫像查某嚟講死啊，你變做成個你做 remote 嘅人。
But John 都感覺真係奇怪哦，gay 嚇 guys 啦。kan no le lesbian na lang expect like accept lesbian be accept guy gay sorry what's the problem 咪是想
No lah, I think it's basically come to the same thing lah. Look at straight porn lah, ha. Always 特得有一個新的這些來找我，代被啲 make out 嘅嘛，對。But 咩是 so widely accepted, but when look at the 哇，來找我 making out 嘅，哦，
你是 on the point of on 你 straight 嘅答波嘅 point of view
是啊。
Because it threaten 伊朗家己嘅 insecurity about
sorry actually 如果是講 threaten 嘅。應該是係你 lesbian 嘅I find that 正幾位 friend 講啊 lesbian that means 係你 tomboy 啦，應該是 straight 嘅打波嘅，個 threaten 樣個字咧。Because 你感覺到個字超係你個 friend 係唔是咧
？Agree，
個條 wave 咧，
即係嚇 ，OK， 大家記錄嘅波未？
冇睇波，即是講本是 agree 啦，就Putu Mayam講另外咯，Putu Mayam講就伊人 feel feel threatened 啦，有打磅啊啦，呀，我不 feel 過啦，有幾人叫本事啊，你看你normal 啦啦，呀。
So okay, so lang到底 like society 住人安怎個寫到創開先係講創開啊
？Definitely 唔是話，
唔是話咧。
我每人當然到底人 OK 啦 ，LGBT those who identify as LGBT 人，如講如到底如 society 如 live 你 everyday life 係安怎當然到底 Malaysia。
Don't really care about what other people think lah. I just live as myself.
You feel threatened by 別人咯
No, not really.
But
我唔是講 because I again was it as a cisgender male 啦嚇。Okay, so
explain the cisgender male 係咩意思
？Okay, because although you know I'm openly gay, but what's it on Outlook 是看是打波嘛，對哦。So but on the 之類人被 pinpoint lu 個 as compared to 講係trans 嘅 person 咯。
所以你講外邊看起來，你講看法可能去attack 你啊，是嚇。
對。So that's why because of all this 之類current 嘅之類issue about LGBT, so 但就講the trans community actually dealt very badly because
因為逃避啊。
因被逃避咯，那是Nisha 伊家己冇講嘛，講 since the pictures came out, you know, people to descend her threats hate mail you know, now as accumulating with 講係 the Grace Bilan 係 the trans woman 可能拍you know, so I can see that things will for the trans community might actually get quite bad though. The LGBT community itself depends on how far out that you're willing to step off, I suppose.
你講我唔知安怎 expect 講人嘅 society eventually Malaysia 嚟 ultimately be 把卡I mean 我有啲看到有 improvement 啦，成日講有。即係Mahathir Jawa 名係咩
Marina
Mahathir but Marina is alive for a long time 直故意整到
support 咧，
呢度 support like LGBT rights but 如果有rasa 社會較好呢，我就係你 OK 啦，你 haters will always be you forever 應該有 haters 人見到係你特別有咧，所以唔係你人拍一邊。人家嚟講， 你有rasa着講有當今少年一批嘅人，有 rasa 有較進步呢？你有rasa 講少年人較無呢驚？
我感覺他那 new generation accept because they are exposed already. They know what is going on.
依家無呢怪，你就成日得照見到多這怪咯，係嘛？
你無成日定到嘛？定到無人知，因緊啊，
無人講起咯，
有人講，伊講人講嘅，你做嚟做食啦。But 親愛少年人好像往眼嚟看 ，we are exposed to the media everything 往係喺 online search 嘅，so
你有 knowledge 啦，
有 knowledge so majority 半會 accept 嘅冇半行嘅。
But I have to say, sad to say lah, just still a big portion of even the Tonkin and the Malays still remain to choose to go. This is one a religion asks us to to convert them or to that we cannot accept them because of one a religion. This is a very sad case. Young day, is
go back to the same thing.
So choosing ignorance, is it that you are choosing ignorance just because your argument does always come back to religion? What religion? What another country?
Because it's an easy way out 咯，and then sometimes literally 你學教你一項物件嚇，對唔對？另外講啦嚇，你教你一項物件，你學對嘅物件，你經驗 life experiences，你 knowledge 不對人，佢教你另外一項物件。nói 你 idea 被啱嘅時嚇，你係你就是你 clash of 你 nói idea，你應對物件咧，就是 fall back on 即你 safe 嘅就是你 OK，我 religion 教你講，所以我別，所以你免去 confront 依個 conflict 嘅咋。即係你近確講嘅地，我特別 explain 即係物件啦，我冇必要講福建話，我未曉，我未曉，你
我明白你講嘅明，
你攞你 idea 被 gel 嘅時候，你 either 你 fall back on 你嘅 comfort zone，就是對佢 religion， 所以你免 explain， 你免去想過，喂，然後安怎？
所以免
嚇，
你免去 argue 講嗰兩一個對，嗰兩一個 wrong 對，還是 you are right or wrong， you just
對就把手冚一邊，一企一條路。
But that is something that you are forcing yourself 嘛 to it。
So, I think in time 啦 ，hopefully in time 啦。
但係問題是嗬，但係你樣正濟即個教嘅嗬，樣根本就是嗬，真正骨力啲洗腦咯就，樣唔是講 educate 咯就，樣是洗腦咯就。
Because 樣有樣嘅，但係你別怪，一定到誒頭腦啊，即係無插係咪教本好學教，還是會教本好，伊個。即係安尼借你那樣解你辦法，所以你較強確嘅，我 feel 到係你是人背去嘅，係你樣嘅 religious 嘅 leader 嘅 thought 咧是較強確。我是按照做我會自己做本分就是。
川配嗰隻買掉，
川配啊？
川咯，係啦。
是 I think 是Putu Mayam。
是話咩
？Putu Mayam take over 啊！你買我你最別看我下你買。
是咩？
唔知啊！
茶米粉喎，茶米粉喎，
茶米粉啊！茶米粉啊！
冇啊！
等陣茶米粉啊！頂面生煎嘅啲家機就好食喎。我啲家機，
啲家機煎嘅啲家機啊！
就咪就講 QQ 嘅大字本，佢講就知啊。QQ 大字本你講就知啊。安那大媽我看到，就來啊，不都買用，即係買用。這點冇知這點那個這是不懂哪來，不懂買用來下鳥是不懂買用啊。
冇啦，鳥
不是啦
，Ketupat。
Ketupat。
落講係咪？
冇看到你鳥，我冇看到你小英，看到你鳥，問看到是唔是Ketupat？冇，我講到不懂買用。因為美國啦，講就知係物件，講啦，佢哋冇講你 QQ 嘅但係講啦，人是知係咩啊？不懂買用啦，Ketupat啦，嚇。
咁啊，講咧，你幾 topic 嘛？
嚇，佢看到啦嚟啊！
冇，咁咪發生，我係冇跟你位嗬。行啊，嗡，咁咪我看我係咧冇嘢，嚇，我咧冇嘢。啲就冇嘢，係咪錯？我唔知。
耶！
睇下奇怪嘛，樣咪是幾不愛聽。
樣幫
你那咯，咪你切過我就是唔敢聽。
哦，大媽放你貴啊咩貴天啊天語。
你我你要本平時困到我係沙發會無走去東房會逃避嘢吧咯。
哎呀，Anyway，OK。
I thought 喵唔是袂驚樣嘅咩，所以走去逃避。
喵會本啊，喵我先。
OK，老公，我會嘅。
嚇 ，OK， so 你我知啦，係你我唔 OK， 我知宗教嘅attack 到啲 LGBT 嘅人嘅teaching 我知，會教我冇咩知喎，會教一些阿咪嘅。
我係講我。
係使。
OK，你係我因為 because 我 study。咱咪講舊性啦，咱是 study 樣嘅 lifestyle 性啦。
哦 ，lifestyle，OK。
咱講 ethnic 都對啦嚇。
嚇，講咩都對 ？ethnic，OK，
嘅文化啦嚇。
OK， 即唔是舊啦，即是。
咱咪講舊性啦，講文化性啦嚇。OK，咱咪講咩文化，你都明白㗎啦嚇。
嚇。
迄個文化吼真係奇怪，啊是咧是本人咧樣會接受。
所以你講嘅是 transgender 樣係接受。
樣古早啦 ，OK， 咱咪講馬路，咱是講古早、七十、六十、50、60、70、80 ，even 90年代都接受。
乜嘢？
我講trans 啦嚇，樣會接受 ，even 90啦、kenduri 啦，樣會接受啫喎。OK，but 大波是叫幾啲樣未接受。
because 伊人嘅 tradition 看起來，若是你上個查某，你咪是上個 quote normal 咯。
對 ，because why？ If 你講伊 trans they have a ticket。伊 ticket 就是講，it could be he or she could be 坤沙。你知坤沙係咩哦？
坤沙。
hermaphrodite。
hermaphrodite。哦。Okay， born with both two genders。一出事是個是大波，
我是個姊妹嚟看啦，個擔啦，
坤沙要兩行啦，所以when 樣出事樣坤沙是伊愛得特別驚一行，佢哋先掛掉咧變查某啦。所以古早時咧，like you say easy way out 就是講 OK，because 伊是坤沙，所以伊咧會使變做查某，但係是 not 100% 查某 ，because 伊未成驚嘛，伊無一個咪嘛。So it and fun but over the time because nowadays some more social network have rapidly have dive into or blend into our life Penka lang jadi isu kia kau balu saya yang kau ya saya si kupas iye di bawang hami si gay hami si matnya hami Penka kucara galang cukong nama dia baru dipang dia on the screen with tata langki kupas ida yo tata langki kong de mikia now 我講nama講是文化嘛lang ba講對是 religion deal any religion also I think mostly Christian Islam lang講就講tapo bisa ka tapo ani kwan correct
yep
kan ya kami sudah Okay. Because right now tatalang on Facebook. When you pang the topic lo kia tatalang to the comment like you said got hater, got supporter. You have your opinion, I have an opinion. So small issue cha lu penka lang balu ka penka jina kong ka jina deep down here. Penka ni kon here. Now talk about the religions when we study Quran whatever when you study the verse you study the whole sentence or not? Or you only pick the first sentence and then you ignore the last sentence?
Yeah.
You only pick what you want to do. You believe. This is I believe it is wrong lah. We of course
context, we believe, full context. 成個話 Christianity 們是上你 Bible 係你嚇，依部
叫咗你怪，
係咩嘅？講下，
你靚真係，
喲，佢再嚟啊！
唔知我咪講，OK，好咧。
我即係 Christianity 乜事喎？你看你伊講嘅物件係，讓我 interpret 係，你愛 interpret 安怎？你看伊 bigger context 嚟講就係，sometimes 伊唔是 你無直接講是 targeted LGBTQ 啦。So 人只隻嚇，你有一 one verse of 呢句 check 呢隻面啊，呢隻 verses 啊，嚟 ignore 嗰啲 the love and respect and care for humanity because of 呢 few words that potentially 有可能是講 about LGBTQ 啦。所以依人會用掉就是對針對咧，就是叫做是為了一項物件好。依樣會夾緊要夾嚟無效率，被經隨理由嚟講係無效率。做咩事？
呢就是你 chapter 啊，假使你物件。
我未รู้做咩事，所以差唔多像咯，㗎，叫你 Bible 嚟，你差唔多像啊。你就個 man。
對啊。More even 嗱，你講解 teaching of the Bible, why don't if you interpret about homosexuality so literally 啦 ？Sorry， 我用嚟講喎。OK， but
咪俾你隻尖咯。唔使講 selfish 咯，
唔使講 selfish，
係本來冇誠意咯。
咁你唔使情咁樣 close of different fabric 嘛啲咯，你唔使撐 fabric 嘛。譬如嗰個講咩啊？嗱是講就你就冇 if 嘅可能咧是 if 是 virgin she has to be put to death 嘛，還是 we don't interpret that literally。but why 就你 homosexuality 嚟講
？Because 咱好target 嘛，咱好target 嘛，咱嘅 community 細嘛，然後咱規個 society 直直 oppress 人，所以咱唔敢出來講，所以做咩事我做咩事被 vocal， 我唔是講掉地講我 kick the law， 是講 Hello I'm LGBTQ girl，
I mean it's the same thing， same thing for me because it's like I'm so sick of the oppression that they're also sick of having to pretend having to 講。Guessy講 we are somebody else, and also why don't we normalize it and say 講show people that hey we are just like everybody else.
But yeah, I mean, but every 我 understand because 我捌行過這條路，我就講唔是特特人 is ready to come out。我明白 because 我自己捌行咗路，我未 ready until 我係 ready， 我係等嘅。But those who can 成個我咧有佢 opportunity 嚇 to be out 嘅，我咪佢就係成日，嗱，是講我 frankly 我 out 冇 out， 我就嚟冇 out 啦嚇。特別我 out 冇 out 嚇，冇咩清差嘅咋，所以我咧平時成我冇咩清差，所以我就當今我安尼 open。就是俾可能看到講OK， 你不打你講到 LGBT 時，做咩事嚟驚？做咩事 community 嚟實就驚講，哎呀
300咯樣。
你就是唔捌看，你唔捌看過一個人，你唔知講原來係，當今你看到講到嘅，我講就老實講啦。你喺 Hokkien 嘅 community 嚇，定當我先先把你出來做 show 時，即係人人得我 because of 我，哎呀，你嗰次有事啊，要成個查某呢，阿婆哪咩叫啊？我講查某係咩看過呀嚇？我都唔使逃避，一邊就我無可能爆嗰條咋，所以講係咯，我咪查某係咪查某係，你唔會嚟幹我咩嚇？我你看，你變咗嚇人驚起講哦，依人用依，做乜事我講特別用辣啊？就是爆啊！依陣時容易爆，我講誒，我是 straight 啊！我當然講下聽出來，你是 gay 嚟講下，喂，學你 status low 去，變咗依陣有爆啊咋？當然我係爆嗰時，讀啲人講，咪講咯，冇人插路，變咗依 lose 依爆啊下嚇，依度唔
你個冇咁穩咯，
我就借你
一當爆啊，等陣一個冇咁穩咯，個講
定到時定到時冇咁穩咧 ，attack 我嚟我 website attack 我show 嘛，講係咪咪叫 support 呀？唔知唔是講我係 gay 嘅時啊，還是我唔知有關係冇關係，一時 attack 我係 show 唔知係講咩物件，我未記啦。講嘅時，原來是以為冇人 support 伊啊，你知邊啲學嘅listener 真正 support 得到我咧，樣就 protective 啊。我樣講到看到嘅時候，哇！咁做咩變啊電啊？你知呢個阿多咪出來，講你免驚，咁出來我咁都變過。然後咁第二一到對嚟時，個寫把你 comment 一換 username 啊，定到時 comment 時特別我 website 好寫字嘛，冇寫當見到 Facebook 面。然後我去 check IP address，IP address 清查隻 number 啦，後尾隻 number 啦，所以入面是我 suspect 是上隻 source 咋，所以佢自己伊嘅 comment 寫出嚟，然後佢去把你 computer 話冇上嘅名，然後嚟support 伊，because 冇人 support 伊數嘛，所以咱唔可以咧有爆啊，咱唔使可以咧有爆啊，咧有時伊 嘅 power 就是，做咩事 the power of coming out to 我嚟講 ，even though 我 understand，我明白，咁唔是人 ，especially 大啲馬來西亞，如果一人，尤其是亞洲人，人咪講到唔是人家見嘅，一人咪講到是講到伊個出來面嘴 ，because 你 come out 時，你會影響到你出來人嘅名聲，伊人你家己 individual 嘅 decision 會 affect 到別個人，個了解人嘅livelihood or 伊人嘅生活啦。So 我明白講做咩事人被喊out ，but those who can 成個我嚟講，我咪講成個我咪講嘅講係咪啊？我係波啊，so 我冇插，so 我講出來咧，人家會知講，但係人成講嘅是人家看到喺裏邊。即係人教我講，有時我頭一嚟 identify openly 嘅人在嗰時絕對是看到我邊咯。So 變伊人有安尼塊會看到我邊，因個在我生活，你知我怪 open 嘅嘛？我規個 life 嗰啲就 open book 嘅嘛。所以變做伊人會想講，誒，呢度冇講只怪啊。你唔是講，係咪怪？但冇怪，變你學見嘅怪啦，特別唔是成講我都冇性格。
咁樣除咗你嘅 channel 時，我冇咁噶，都是種人，我是咁樣成個小小等等嘅。
我是
冇正常。
這點了，這點了，
正常特別小小你講。
這點。
咩物件？我係 halfway there。
halfway there what? Where are you looking at?
我把兩招推嚟呢。
你 halfway 最啊？
我寫寫
係啊！
我度係啊，係咪嘅？
係你四字大波看到係就你係。冇啦 ，OK， 你 opinion about 這個 whole Georgetown festival 嘅 fiasco？
加晒。
啦 ，OK，personally 我 feel the personally attack 嗰啲 ，because yang。
冇啦。
OK， 我冇明白啊，你 feel 的按照你講咧，我根本冇。
你真係冇係Terengganu嘅 news 喎。
Terengganu news，哦，
你見啦。
係 lesbian 內條數嘅，
條啊，條我未講呢啲。
係咯，是你咯。
講下。
來這邊講，
因為就是在車會做，甚至一條啲啊。
哦。
有內地還是還哪內地？
有。
太 stupid 呢！
我原本是呢度阿姑講is kesalahan 了嘛，對，di Suria lah binwi，哈。
Still stupid, right?
Actually, hale Juana.
Jagung, mana Jagung?
Ha, what thought you paying?
Morning.
Hale Juana, they cannot make that into an issue because even if lu si LGBT, lu si straight pun, lu tuati chia cho lu mata pun liak lu eh. So why make that into an issue?
Both different from lu palai. Straight couple.
Yeah, because that is not because of an LGBT issue. It is because it is not acceptable in the society in Malaysia and the law does not permit. Look at tapo cabo nasi lihat tu ibu si ane jiao tua lu ki got
Kacau.
But public caning ni.
Public caning has to do with religion, nothing to do with
public caning mesti kata sa dia le Indonesia no le tapoy.
Actually, hale picture mesti ilang ay hale
Indonesia
ilang publicize the media is also botio. You see, so mikia lu besai kia hale mikia twist until it becomes something else. Media is very wrong. Now,
you call it media responsible and media boy.
It is irresponsible reporting because you turn society against each other.
Russia, you're Russia.
Russia 咩啊？
傻靚 fake news。
哦，
傻靚地搞呢，地搞差。
Tapi lu sa LGBT 是錯呀，但你normal straight people 如果投資係唔係錯咩？想嘅物件，
錯本來因為是做小物件。
你邊咧做講你咪有時而家冇明白講嚟聽啫。
因 Georgetown Festival 係你啊，因邊度係你 LGBT 嘅小英嘛。
OK，so 依家咪是要嗱小英協隻股咧，last year 是服務，有 last year 是2 years ago。
Yeah，last year
是 Nisha 有是 Nisha 咩？Nisha 是 trans 嘛，然後一樣是叫掉樣包 flag 啦，然後是一樣是 feature 冇相嘅 Malaysian 是唔是？對，然後 including 係你打波名咩胖
Punky Day
Punky Day 是我即個advertisement 入面OK 伊是壓死人嘅嘛唔是咩？
Yes,
yes.
Right.
Là easy out mà, brown out and easy out嚟了嘛。Okay, so long 被安怎 define as activist？因講我哋聽下你冇就係講，伊是唔是？伊是我冇明白是講，做咩是講你想冇 identify as LGBT？我冇明白伊講咩。
No, you know, she is a transgender activist, not a gay activist.
Tapi bosia.
You know, trying to split hairs now over because I think Mujahid he's also in a difficult place too because he's talking with the new government. He's trying to please both sides soon.
政府嘅 religion.
I mean, you want to please you don't want to make Pakatan seem like a more
progressive government.
Yet at the same time, it might offend too much of the religious population. Also, he's also in a difficult position. I think I understand his position also now.
Tapi what appreciate it allow each like 講 directly address 這類 transgender issue. Because he 講 about young attack and then the employment sometimes force接去sex trade because 冇人愛請人做工，所以唔想話嘛。
Yes.
So 係是 non issue， 特別 frankly 我唔知即stick 到人嘅頭腦啦。你話唔知啊？But okay, so 路人 in general feel 到講到底 Malaysia society 但是講你是 gay， means that you identify as male， แล้วเด็กกับ另外一個答波 male to male， 還是 female กับ就 female กับ female， 你會 feel 到伊人discriminate 這個 transgender 咩 ？I don't think so.
No. I think really the
transgender they marginalize because 人成個你講到成個 cis male 嚇，所以我出事是答波，所以我 identify 我 identity 本是答波，所以我免講佢，但是講咪出聲啊。咪是人看人咯。試我出聲，我可能該好，你 glue 到冇？但你我係巴士啫，我係巴士，咁我被人不看到，我係被人講到我是 issue 嚟咋。但是講你係 transgender，especially 如果冇咩 pass as male or female，你看到成日都再講是 transgender 啊，你係掉無理人，變咗人驚嘛，人看到唔捌看過嘅，成日怪嘅，所以頭前被做，人驚 everything that you react violently，嚇，就是 because of the fear 啊。
Self-defense.
You fear 嚇，就 that's why 你特別有睇啲 faces，做咩是會人有 activist？ 有啲講 activist 啊 ，because of the activism 這個字 ，activist 就是你被 against 隔離 society 出來講 about 你個嘅 rights，so that 你會別個人冇 opportunity 唔敢，還是冇 opportunity to 出來講 about 樣個嘅 issue 人，你會 activist 係人講咋。
Yeah, exactly.
So 當今我人出來。做咩事我要做這個 subject 就是我自己一人韓國講啦，但是你被聽你不知是聽 online。但係我有一定嘅人係我就被講這 issue 時，所以咧做這 collectively 講 about。但我被聽過人自己 opinion from 哪個 group
discrimination
你 feel 到 discriminated when 你人 suspect 你是 LGBTQ individual。
我講出來唔係我頭家係錫我啦，因為我古早時候，
咪講啦，你係錫嘅。
我 because anyway，你巴士啦，古早我係 factory 咧有幾嗱 can 是唔是 trans 啦，伊是 les and also gay
嘅。喂嚇，我幾嗱係 lesbian 嘅 gay。
對，我咪講是 okay，then 我 employer 咧是 maybe 伊較 old fashion 咧，伊是
冇 comfortable
啊，伊是講按怎伊人咧看講，我講嘅，你愛看人咧是看伊會做工未做工，你是看伊嘅 sexual preference。你無唔是該困，你是該做工。So I think by in time 伊應該是較 OK 啦。古早咧應該是有個人咧
Putu Mayam 會
加多聲。
嘅，我叫狗困過一邊，伊 breeding。
你狗會聲嚟啊？
幫配
啊，唔是幫配，伊困咧係 sometimes 伊 snore 咯，就伊。我陪佢一邊困，我陪佢。
Okay, back to the story. So I
sometimes it takes other people to educate 啦。你係講會教，講通係難聽，因為這人無明白未曉嘅時候，就是 sometimes 係講唔對物件。
Now we become business partners. So 我講嘛，maybe it's too old fashion，有嘅物件，伊無看到濟嘅，伊無加
無 expose。
對，所以我咪講，人是看一人伊嘅 ability。伊 personal life 啊，伊甲裝出去啊，伊啊咪好啊，唔是人，你無需要知。Even Malaysia，
你請伊嚟做工。
對 ，even Malaysia 有 industry code 啦 ，labor law 有講到亂袂使 get involved 別人嘅你物件嘅。
personal life 袂使 involve 掉咯。
因為我家己唔聽得煩嘛，你知你人你看你人，我講you need to stop 啦 ，you know。你別使講人你看呢，伊做工嘛，伊做水面嘅水嘛，拉個 result 係嘛。So on and on start recruiting 啦，較無想啦，較 OK 啦。So 無看 color， 無看伊嘅 sexual preference， 無看咩人。
Sometimes 你 perception of 伊嘅 sexual orientation， 不能單單是 release。正是像頭先你講有就是講啊，不同埋有講，有人看起來嚇，伊成較雜物款嚇，特別伊是straight 啦嚇。我 sometimes buy with the straight 嘅 partner 嚇，咪是你咪是看起來外口是乜都咪是在，所以你講看起來這一人都是頭一條無關嘅事，第二條你袂 always 講外口看起來再講人是係咪物件本嚟？所以你若是安尼款 discriminate 人咧，就是只無 fair 啦，就是意思是講。
對啊。
咪成個頂到做工安尼款啊，查某甲查某做工，查某會工資嘅，特別看唔起查某嘅做工安尼款咧 ，is almost the same。
對 ，actually 我同你講啊，即係 LGBT 嘅 issue 啊 ，ultimately 是到對面是係 chauvinistic 嘅history。
對啊 ，yes。Because changing that to my office a culture。
changing that to 個人特別 chauvinistic pig 啊
I mean equal as in the pay rate or whatever。
because 你看起來就同我哋講啊，就是你變做人 rasa especially 係你自己有淡薄冇咩 secure 把樣自己 manhood 嘅人啊，淡薄你看只這咧。拍人啊，拍咧gay 人 gay bash 啊，是 LGBT 即係 transgender 人 bashing 啊，即係這 look deep down 每人嘅時候，伊人家己 because 人家己嘅 fear 嚇 ，because 伊驚講伊 bring 伊人別人看到人嘅樣嘅款咧嚇 bring up 人家己嘅疏膽，伊家己成日伊家己心裏面有刺啊，所以伊講伊淡薄 slight attraction to gay 嚇，伊變咗成日伊變咗成日講OK， 成日有你打波成 super macho 啦，因為看到嘅時候 super macho 人，伊冇可能講哇，你打波人打波咯，伊是家己打波，伊未講嘅，伊驚人講伊安怎的伊係咧，但是講伊是 totally comfortable with 伊嘅 sexuality 啦，伊就係講我冇錯，我講咩話係 why sexuality 我其實 confident 嘅，變咗冇人嘅安怎的伊係，伊都冇驚講嘅話。
望而家只講到你嘛，是唔是？無理啊，無嚟。
家己事啊嚇，即because 是講到我見到是家己 fear，所以你個看你 the loudest mouth 啊 to attack 你 gay community 嘅打波啊，
你對看伊就是有問題啊，你就是 main problem。
Always 有係咩啦 ？John，there always two sides to a coin 啦。你講古早時啊。 我甲嗰個答波，真真真緣投 until one day 我去。
嚇？係咩嘢
？until one night 啦，我去 disco 我看到伊啊，there's end to the story.
Drag queen.
Yes, so the thing is, lu saya masuk lo, lu cakap they hamil masuk lo, that's the end of the story lo. But depending on ulang personality si weak lu saya. Ilang weakness and they need to transform that weakness into something macho. So if you hide behind that that's why you call bullying, bullying. Why? Because they need to
power ma.
Ilang
power.
Ilang lang weak ma. So if
overcompensate.
Yeah, so that is the only thing. But I think a lot of issues stems from families, not so much about society. It's because families are the worst. Ilang I
been chui.
Kalau say about been chui, why can't they just support their family members and say we love you no matter what you are? Because you are what you are. We still love you. But ilang itaki family members cinta pressure, and that is, it's not so much society. Society cannot be bothered. Why should they be bothered? Look chap lang isu bo isi ilang taki hide behind ilang taki own shadow, scared of their own shadow. That's the whole trouble. Look 看下这类 case 本是 family 好像 problem 嘅。
這是auditor 搬厝。
我 feel 到啊，BTS 唔是講伊拍槍，是外口拍槍啊拍死人，所以實
冇害到人無。
因為我都冇害到人，就是 living our life in our own way 呢嘛。
對，冇人插，冇人去管嘅，冇人去講嘅啦，冇人 nobody 安尼家暴，家己嘅 life 未來去插人安尼事。But it is their own family members 驚人講，everything is 驚人講。
And also the family yang family 驚講，伊到時去外口嚇，別人會 bully 伊as he or she acting in that way. So he or she not ready to protect himself.
It's also fear. Both ways is also fear. Fear of people talking, fear of them being bullied. Kalau si fear lo, and then this fear transform into something so negative, and they put the blame on society.
我講 OK， 尤其是若是講你有驚字啊，你 suspect 你驚字，若是講是 gay 或是 lesbian， 是 trans， 你要緊嘅嚇，我就是歡呼啦。若是講你聽到，我當然你講到這個話題啊。你若是有聽到，你若是有懷疑嘅時，你第要緊你要想到，唔是想到你面主性，你第要緊要想到是你家己嘅驚字性。你 support， 你是要 support this poor soul thing， because 伊若是你無你出來人嘅 support， 伊安怎去外口找人 support？
Then they will have suicidal thoughts。
就是你做咩是這濟人啊，無路走咁樣死嘅嚇，就是因為伊人無所在去，你咁樣你咁樣嚇，你驚死哦，有人咁樣啦，老實講but 你是這惡嘅事咯，就是特別較濟爸母嚇，無講愛人驚字死嘅，除非你被愛你面水濟過你愛你驚字咩？你咁樣學人講是咁樣。
你看啊，你only 有安尼款嘅 family 呢咯 ，because 樣 OK， 成日淡仔你講嘅，特個人不是愛伊驚字好嘅嘛對，所以樣用 force 咯。
就是
either force into straight or or like 成學樣 punishment 而是樣安尼款咯 into the way that the family or in the family is accept 嘅咯。你變咗嗬，你逼家下嚟啦，they are not happy precisely，你逼家伊笑咯。
笑。
Then there comes the suicidal thoughts.
Correct.
That's why LGBT youth is suicide rate 咧高。
一般就是一個只 gentle 嘅人，有可能就是好讓逼緊嘅款啊，一變咗真係 aggressive 起，不有可能嘅，你知道？
別嘢就是別嘢咧，慢慢嚟逼嘅。
日度嘢咯，我朋友講日度。
我哋呢次學 newspaper 有寫講，有被 boycott 下你 petrol station because 伊 support LGBT 啊，實咧，你白刀我咪白秒咯。
笑誒。
不要。
有影是小嘅伊人 support LGBT 嘅幫伊話係咪？What's the？
佢係你 company support LGBT，
所以
當時當時 company，哪裡 support 你？
係你
share 啦。
哦，佢是美國公司嘛？美國公司是係咪嘛？
即係肯定人真係 shallow 買得到個。
也冇啦 ，sometimes 是為咗累嘅，有咧是為咗你北京嘅公司啊，香港啊，自己 agenda 是為咗是佢哋北京公司，喺這間公司就是可以較少人請去成立這間公司來咯，嚇。
我係講真物件。
嗰條 news 講about 佢哋 transcend，會使接 female toilet 冇啊？
喺美國咪是隻大大字美國。
係啊，handicap toilet 咪冇數咯。哎呦 handicap toilet 是
冇，這就是用一個人嘅想法，你按 issue 本是人被 empathize 啊，人被想講用路嗰邊方面來看啊，伊是想是用伊個嘅方面來看，所以你咪是
對啦，這個是真係 simple 嘅問題嘛，你感覺到伊是怪人嘛 ，OK 有問題嘛 ，OK 你可以去 handicap toilet settle the problem，你個講緊啲事對唔對？一個 toilet 嘛。
我真係學 Andy 看了我個，我去 toilet 嚟。
哎呦
，normal，會想嘢咯。
嗱，第一機，你咪，所以你其實蠻少人看到你成個驚啫。
驚掉車驚啦，因為掉車驚看了啊。
你講
我大波嘅，
我都冇計講，我可以嚟搞想嘅。
冇啊，冇講啦。
即係
想對對啊。
我本是阿崩屋啊，阿崩屋。
我不阿崩哈。我攞包嘅哈。
哈。
我接用呢個 channel 嚇 announce 即係 to all the parents 啊 about 呢啲物件啊。No matter this to all the parents 啦 ，no matter your son is about LGBT 又好，水又好，無水又好，貪女濟貪女少，背山，按照款好啊，按照款無是亂驚亂生出來嘅。對，咪去compare，咪去人比是人，咪去是人講。就是我必須最近呢，我就是拄到一個客卡，佢就 complain 伊話伊會驚啦，你看。Because of the obligation 啊，我特別貼，但係 until one stage 我未懂啦，我講 ，look you need to stop. That is your daughter. No matter how bad she is， 無水也好，面也好啊，你生出來，對，伊款先你看不是你教出來嘛 ，upbringing 物件，你袂使講亂別人了喎。Put back into yourself，你是看你看家己咯。So having said that 啦，問大媽阿姐講我對咯。Family first， 你袂使講行面嘅愛落 society 嘅 ，accept them as who they are.
Actually, well, society is built by individual families. So, society is put together by families, individuals and families. So, but
very beginning.
你要start嘅時候，你袂使講我幫我社會嚟嘅，你都要幫你出來，你自己身邊，你自己成家子嚟嘅。所以你袂使講等你社會換時，你想出來兩邊你就使換，就使嘅了。有見你就是講一人講啦，成日講伊見啊 come out to parents 時 ，parents 嘅 reaction 真正快 to react 呢，就是 react to 自己面水性，想到安怎交代人。我有一個 talk 啊。我一個 bishop， 我就捌幫佢到啲 online 捌幫佢。我一個 bishop 嚟甲我講，伊嘅小安尼小弟 come out to 伊是 gay 嘅時候，伊講，因為伊是 US 嘅 bishop 嘛，伊講伊頭一個想到就是想到 ，Oh my God， 我是 bishop， 我安怎甲人交代？伊講 after that 嘅時，伊個想到講 ，Oh my God，how selfish of me to only think about me first before think about 伊嘅 brother。So 讓我 reminder 就是講，那是你驚住嚟甲你講，係可能 hint。還是你懷疑，是你要緊你問 lash out based on 你自己面對，你自己嘅reasoning 性，要緊就是要講是講你嘅驚性。陣間我講一間呢，
冇啦 ，I mean very easy for us to say 嘛，對哦。The sad thing 就是講 ，I mean 真係人就是冇人嚟看笑咯，我家姐。是小面水性，
本來就是講當今人，若是人當今人聽到嗬，我無 冇辦法嘅教了人嘅想法嘛。特別咱到這邊有聽即個調即個錄音嘅人係，有幾那 can 阮好啊，真係 can 好樣聽到咧係，因為有可能當今冇見過，特別不到有見係樣想到是 at least 伊人把講 discuss，總是人嘅安尼即a generation 嘅冇相嘅 problem，直直傳落去就是冇人講嘅數。如果 it's not out in the open，when there's no discussion 係，伊嘅 issue 嘅 problem 直直接落去嘅。
John, this is not this thing about I been doing it is not confined to an LGBT issue. Okay.
Yeah,
I give you an example. Stop it.
個位邊
It start from the dog issue.
我係隻狗是幾嘅條件。有年我嚟。
誒，安尼可能我係隻狗 brown color 本是 LGBT 啊，你冇啊？伊淡嗬，伊隻反而往出去到 cafe 嗬，伊 attract 個了秒會到去吹伊嘅喎，係喊伊嘅喎。哎，你喊咪喎，你咁樣走嘅啫。
你躲得來，佢所謂咁時嘅落嚟。
生咯。
本地是為狗走，但你秒為狗係喊咪走。
哦，出名啊，你搞。
出名。
我係狗時看到更嘅嗬，伊是更嘅咪看到更嘅開卡嘅更嘅。
對吧咧？
啊，毛毛菇，我是成個毛毛菇啊，佢都。
我只隻 brown，
毛毛菇。
我係只隻。
我來佢卡是起冇到擺數啦，我成個。
我講嘅一半，講咩？
哈，Jagung哈，你講唔是㗎咧，唔是 LGBT。
It's not。我講，但是講。
我做乜有咪烘？你搞佢在半烘。
一個囝啦，一個大伯囝啦，對人甲你講啦，伊暑假掉一個查某30歲留過伊嘅 ，first reaction，
少，
人別講係咪？伊人
哎呦啦，
伊人嘅 reaction 就是人別講係咪？
哎呀，你老了啦，袂使啦，哈咪卡嘴啦，對，咁了一道對大過路啦，哈咪咁了啦。
頭一個，伊人講嘅話就是。你行出去俾人講，俾人笑。
人按咗講咯。
It's a very very wrong preconception because
actually 佢定到人。
Jagung講。
Jagung care了。
Jagung popcorn 條。Jagung popcorn。
是唔是即係物件？
冇聽到。
冇啊，冇聽啊。
笨 popcorn 係冇聽到。
聽未到啊？
我會需要。
Jagung。
So 這個物件哈，伊是 parents 啦，伊人真係愛變樣，伊人就愛換伊人嘅 mindset，伊人會使 continue with 這個愛變水嘅 mindset，because 係 high generation 嘅啊。
少。你 OK，然後你會叫人。嘅啊，是嗨啊！你叫你，我講較死就是啊，當你俾叫人啊，別使時間啊，都俾佢 convert 啦，咪直頭就係你叫你 Christian 咧，叫你咪 pray 嘅幾位啊，
你咪是
pray 嘅幾位，
pray 嘅幾位，
你咩？
你 OK，你話就係話我是 Catholic 先係個大漢，你就係我 spend 咗hours years of prayer so that I hopefully become straight 哦。你就話我就是我死行 ，Oh my God！ 我死行個大漢，我死行個大漢啊！我去 novena because 我 religion 教我講，教人打波，佢係使教人個查波，我 automatically 為 attraction to 打波，我就 suppress 啊，所以我特別講啊，我朋友個人講 church 是講，you are a good person 啊 ，but if you can just act a little bit more like a man 啊 ，you'll be better。Look, what's and then message? What is oh, okay, I'm bad. So what is it? The only time 我係做就是我 pray 是我就借你細細行個大漢。Since 我係在講我自己冇想甲別人嘅時候，我就是 pray 講 ，Okay, God make me normal, okay, so that I don't have to deal with this every single day。我特別想那款嘅物件就，我就借你做咩事？我必須嚟講嘅那款物件，就是可能在講。你再講就 damaging 哦，你 every year 你 childhood 你就想講。 哦 I'm less than 我無個我是 not abnormal 嘅，所以我特別驚我自己，我是特希望我係驚個 until 我20幾歲再講我是未驚了呀。When 我 accept 我自己時候，我再講，嚇死 that is the time when 我 come out 是到24歲時候，是我 feel that 我規個 whole self blossom as a complete human being because the whole time 我是特別逃避。咪講話袂使笑上濟，講話袂使上查某聲，物件。我特行我 every action 個我都袂想過了，所以我變咗係 burden 直接重嘅，你知啊？咱就是捌經驗過呢。
我無多沙咯，就我無咯，我去教人 open， 我教人走出來，離家出口。唔該，我做工。
你 LGBT activist 咯？
不，聽唔該嗬，我負責做工嘅時，了都好是 first batch female engineer 做 apprentice 啦，就接去我公司，了一都就排去我嘅部門，即是講我做嘅迄個班位。แล้วว่าคำว่าเดียวว่าลูกกุละโลอุ่นยังลูกสิจะบอกแต่พี่ลูกโจกังเหรอลูกพี่กาละหลังก็กาโฮเหลียวลูกกาที่ต้องให้ลาสันลูกบอกสั่งให้เลยซิสเตอร์อะไรกันที่ได้กินให้ได้กินแล้ววันเดียวว่าไก่ไปชุดมวยสี่ก่อเลยapprentice สาเลยสิต้อมไหลแล้วว่าหมอไก่ไปขี้
ต้อมสิมีสุดตาบอเท้า
ต้อมบอยตาบอเท้าละlesbian นี่ละโอเคแล้วหมอไปขี้ลิมแต่แล้วอีกว่าก้องยังไง story 到新加坡就要可憐嗰就伊媽得俾伊 make up 俾伊穿 skirt 俾伊穿 heel 除大波河伊แล้วก็講緊嘛就ลู但是講未做查某哈ลู去嘅人徛
嘅人是蝦米即
prostitute area 啦
哇我聽了我介學呢我知道講我不要緊啊我你來大我嘅厝你人來大我嘅厝你免對去大你免去聽先同佢攞出來做工啦你免聽你對你愛做嘅 role 就好了
mak ayam lah.
Mak ayam. Silo. Sesuatu dosa lo.
dosa.
Mak.
Ayo,天啊，好你知哦。
我要聽我哋都experience。
冇，I mean because since 有since 係人的比較嘛一波嘅，誇張啊！
你OK，你成日哪矮啊？咱你處理咩嘛？你成日我就點樣買一波嚟，學人講我拿一波啊，強幹。
聽了嘛是無爽啊，強幹。
所以咱 always say 係，如果就講係咩啊？學 parents 講你使咪做呢？อันนั้นนุ้ยสมัยโจนอันนั้นซีโอ所以就比較好。
特別我唔捌聽 ，luckily 我唔捌聽 those comments from why family members。
哎呦，
我 only 捌聽過是我聽我 church 嘅 friend，佢就是我 church 嘅 friend 啊。特別有啲 relatives 係講咯，哎呦，那麼一波啊面，可能特別我唔捌 directly 聽過我厝人。
Then lucky lo John.
Hello, friends 啲有些，就是講潮啊，
衝地路，
衝地路咯。
阿娘叫做阿娘。
阿娘冇啦，
冇啦冇。
我講阿娘是我就四位神鬼，十八看嚟定咩神鬼，就拜個龍山阿娘。
Dia tu ang A 出來。
Oh my god! Okay， 聊你聽人講啦嚇。
I mean, of course, the you know, it gives you a feeling that you know you are not good enough.
Yeah, you're not good enough. You're normal. You're weird.
You are. So until you know there was a time like until start to more accept what I hear and of course the time was after I came out period because for me coming out of course it was a very tough time for me because you know the only son that is when my parents found out, I said, "Oh, no, I wanted to be the house lah."
Yeah.
Kami sulah, lu sisi harus orang molest lah. Because last time bahwa isa ko maki 我去學小豬嘅時咧，是學林莫 les
哦，
那時候咪等你看啊
我個聽過迄個 case 個坐去紅光標嗰邊，梅紅光標。
有啊，
我嘛是對。
哎啦，我聽。
唔，我講唔是 directly 講坐啊去啦，你是 behind 我去梅嘅是，我去如果我未叫我講話，我係住紅光邊嘅嘛，所以咪去紅光標，我都多住梅嘅時，我講你知啊。
啉湖水掉，是
係
咪
咪？我哋
水啊？
都也啉湖水呢，我嗬也迄個刀啊，劍出來剁啊，
剁你屁股啊！
剁超
你屁股啊！
冇啊，剁超啊！
哦，你冇聽啦，你是做法啊，很毒啊！
因為有啊，有훈啊，有蔗㗎，有隻超啊！你講浸對迄個筋啊，係咪筋？人椒筋都有啊！哇，聽啦，未得閒了老爸，咁了本時 OK，I put on blame 啦 ，OK，咁了本時我老爸做成嘅，伊細漢嘅時就定啲咩話，安怎你查某型嘅行咯，手合起來未使搖嘅，但係行上個墨鏡一行行咯，上個上大波，即係手合起來。嚇，點咩了，了見了交大班嘅時，坐啊去參伊朋友 group 嘅啦打波，了想講為咗
個笑哦，
變咗是，而家為咗correct bingo，掉個個笑，我看咧個個歡喜，嚇，even worse 都真係哦，我看嘅咧，看啦幫曬啊，幫酒啊，就嘅咧，
我 excited 咧。
No, because my father is transporter 嚟嘛，
我知。
你白對啦，咁咧人就去山水就是 behind the rock，咁咧人哋幫曬，我酷咧，並 enjoy 啦。See, it's getting worse.
我 OK，所以定到時我咪是白人，所以 because 我是有迄個多了，我寫啊，我差唔多。around 8歲嗰陣時，我就再講我就冇想，我係成日講admire 嗰時我未曉嘅 ，because 嗰時我 sexually 又未 developed 嗰陣嗰時，特別我
真係行路仔啊！我
drawn to 你
，feeling 了誒，我開始 feeling since kindergarten 了。
嚇，我再講我自己看到嚇，我係 neighbor，
我冇情沙，
我冇情沙，我冇情沙，哦。Hey, what's that?
Let's see what TV. Let's see what TV. Let's see what.
你記迄個 Blue Lagoon 啊？你看？
我是看 chips。我是看 Every Extra 的。
真的舒服了。
Oh my God! Yes，我們是講，因為是哦，
so 類似我開始講 ，so from that time on，我就一直在講的 ，you know the something different about 我自己啦喂。But for me，I mean so，then later when there was one that period，講 I know，我就講I'm the only person who had that feeling。
我們想
，until 我看到講 Boy George。
Boy George give you hope。
Culture club 嘅時OK，原來嗰個 someone else 唔是安尼款嘅。所以我講而家 feel 講OK，so
that's why
即係唔是安尼款嘅 society。That's
why 我被講出來，我老實講，有可能 OK。If 人這 conversation 是 open up for 係 potential LGBTQ 嘅 youth 看到啦。你而 parents 係講，就是流浪嘅可能影響做嘢可能。But frankly，你一波已經出嚟，就是我能 save，我能是叫伊啊，你可能做你嘢檢毒啊，嘢就冇只啊嚇。
叫中記啊。
對嚇，有時候好多人驚住檢你痛苦嘅頭腦。特別我講聽，我咪是定當時我咪是有。我再講我冇想啊，所以我 imagine 啊，我 imagine 想教人傳播啊，我想冇咩痛㗎咋，我想嗰我未啊，你係變咗小幾多嘅？
阿總佢未 imagine 你驚係出來上咗。
就係
走啊，
anyway，有 我咪是 ，so because 我係 religious background 嚇，我就想講，我冇 totally 冇 attraction to 雜我 ，maybe 是我 calling to be a priest 啫。所以我咪是想講咪做 priest 咧，我只一年我教我媽講我買樣個咧記嘅，我是想講我買教應我冇這邊是買教應，我拍攝我要做神父。哇！特別係教會要做神父時候，我去你 college general 啊，對，話頂下俾 Mary 嗰邊，哇！我去嗰邊去 visit 咯，去看。是我看到樣個了，我冇穿衫入面踢 football 啊，我心嘅跳嘅快啦，所以我未，
爽啊嚇，係啦，
未，
就是
too much distraction。
我是行了，我留嚇，冇了，我老爸佢講，未好勢了，了到開幫給我看，嗰個屎。
เดี๋ยวบอกพูดว่าจริงๆว่าจะอะไรเฉยรู้แล้วก็ขอเทียนเขาเลยปักรู้
เลยแล้วขอป้อนแล้วลั่นตัวโฟกัสเดี๋ยวว่าหูเดี๋ยวอันนี้ตัวเดี๋ยวอันนี้ซ้ำเลยแล้วแต่เดี๋ยวเกี่ยวว่าที่ขอจ่าบ่อาปงแล้วว่าต้องเบลว่าตัวสิโฟกัสเดี๋ยวอะไรมีกี่อันเนี่ยมาว้าก็กระสี咯เสียกับลูกกองอ่ะจูกาจูช้ำอ่ะ
邊 topic 定嘅時候望佢掛風，
我看阿崩我嗰個顯氣啊！
逼我看阿崩。
อันนี้บอกถ้ามองกูไอ้ฟาเดอร์อีโจไอ้ปันอันนี้กาแต่แรกก็อันนี้เขาก็ถูกต้องก็อวย parents เขาอย่างกาทะเลนี่กา discreet เฮ้ยไอ้ฟาเดอร์ใช้ใครแต่แรก
好啦。But that is the only way he knows how to deal with 嘛。
對。
So 咱袂使講怪特人爸母成日看，但我咱家己愛做下物件，其實咱家己啲事。特別我人講破，人聽人哋只物件，安尼款物件，你是冇咩機會聽到嘅。安尼款嘅 conversation，你去倒來捌聽過 DVD 噶？
咪就係 DVD 噶。
咪就係lappan嘅事。
咪就係lappan。
過一個，你唔捌聽過？
哈。
On the flip side，我有一個 cousin， 我人白大漢甲我真係 close 嘅啊。แล้ว大出入我厝，帶 girlfriend 過來，互我看，問我這查某水哦。到尾是真嘅時，it decide。That wasn't his orientation。個有人安尼笑話甲伊講，佢免甲我講，我未接受。
哦。
無問我呀，特別 decision 佢講咪講好聽。
即係你 cousin 後都是。
我家己 cousin 嚟嚇。
特別人 assume 講你未 accept。
我未接受嚇，然後甲伊講免講好聽，覺得堅持。I mean 有啦，要到尾要甲我講 ，because 要帶。伊翁來互我看啦，拄啊啦。
你一開始你個 found out 個，就個人肯講你啦。
講我嚇，然後伊講，你也無 reaction 呢？我講你 reaction，what reaction are you waiting for？然後伊講有人甲伊講，問甲我講逃避，咪互我知講，我未接受。I think that is a very wrong attitude。你袂使講安尼，你袂使有 preconceived 講人係人袂接受 ，because you must give that person a chance, right？
有。
然後你你講係人袂接受啦，你要第時間會知講係人會接受啊。And it's not for the 人to接受啊 ，it's not for that 人to接受 ，it's for you to 接受 yourself。
對本啊，特別你想 from let's say from 我嘅 point of view 啦，人講。你會希望人，let's say 嗰時我，let's say 講 if 我是到底 from what as a gay man standpoint when I come out 時，我嘅 initial reaction because of how 只我不聽過只 story 就是 rejection first。你特別 always expect the worst first。Even though 我作為 parents and loving 我能 come out 對啦，是我冇 expect 講我能有可能伊會買，我會叫我係我會孫仔啊，樣我會知就話樣嗰啲細細漢個，我會結果 maybe 樣有可能 decide 買好啊，有 relationship to with 我會知嘅驚個啦，我有想到講，but at that point 嗬， 特人就是想 the worst case scenario 對，成嘅啦。
You came out together with your brother 嚇
？Yeah，對。我諗出就係 through email，because 嗰時我 already date 我啱啊嘛。
你 email 你爸嘅嘛？
我 parents， 我哥。
哦，唔是你去隨人講下，你 email 嘅啦。
我 email， 我跟你講 benefit of emails。benefit of emails is 你有 time to process so that 你別講 blurt out something hurtful or anything。你冇，我 sometimes 你冇 mean 你就講嘅話，你就講出來。So when 你有 time to process 啊，我 feel 到較好。But anyhow， 我already my 我 feel 到 once I discover 我嘅件事啦，你真唔知係pressure 啊，when 我20幾年嚇 ，all the while 我哋成日講，我未使 completely 是我嘅件，我特別嘅淡薄，我做講話，嘅人講話，笑啊嘅人講話，我行路嘅人講話，坐啊嘅人講話，我係 fear 係啦，我特日我 every breath make me straight。So 我真 damaging 嘅咋，我 until that moment 我 come out 嘅時候 so liberating 啊，真係 liberating， 我變到 feel 到我想 oh my gosh， 喂，okay frankly it's just like I don't give a fuck anymore right， so 我冇插啦，我 when you tasted that joy of becoming who you are， 變到真係你會知，你變去煩惱嘅人啊，你直頭話就是話你插，我冇插你安怎？係一種嘅感覺嚇，是真 freeing 嘅 liberating。所以我唔逃避啊。所以我講我嗰時去我時拄到 Bruce 嘅時，我就講我唔教我老嘅parents 本，我直頭講 OK， 我其實我去隨 Bruce 係咪咪嘅？因為有人都懷疑，按照即 Bruce 住嚟啊，唔係聽你講，你都冇話過，那時。我諗我呢個啲咧，我舊位高咗隻 decide 講我未必我冇講話即係位高本自己，所以我諗咗隻 decide 講 when 我諗 I come out 嘅時，我諗咗隻 I come out， 所以我go to 寫 email through email come out 就一樣咯。但一樣我講一樣是 religious，but at the same time， 我 I feel like 樣嘅 focus 是 on 我諗較濟過 on。名聲 or the religion 啊 ，because 像頭先 response 是講我是話罵啦，我巴士啊特別話罵，講伊看到是伊心就痛，特別唔是 because 我人是嘅，是 because 我人嘅 struggle go through 我 struggle， 冇實質講，伊無到底下邊，伊人未 support 我人 ，so 你看伊嘅 focus 唔是到底。伊人嘅辛苦，伊 focus 是到底你我人嘅辛苦。對。我諗做爸母人較細緻淡薄，多細細行業那麼好係講話是啊，即係 side comment 啊，即係真正 damaging 嘅 side comment 啊 ，sometimes。
John，貴嘅 parents 啊，女嘅 parents。啊，就是我講就係，我就是講
我有安尼 opportunity 嗬，我。再講我 family 嘅 support， 我再講我嘅 livelihood 被掉影響，我未想我工人識我其實咩，我特別出來講，係是我嘅 voice 是 an activist voice， 就是 because 我做咩做 activist 就是講我有迄個機會嚟講，可能再講一個 gay person 就是安尼，所以白當我哋看到你 gay 是唔知看到你樣自己 image 啊，歸來啊，什麼樣自己 build 出來 image， 你再講。是人嚇，有人有變有靈魂有體嘅人嚇，是嘅。你白到你看到人 attack 嘅人是 at least 你再講，你捌到一個人是最最，是嘅。一變咗你有人會幫到迄個字嚟講，你變咗冇嚟驚嘅。因為你冇嚟怪嘛，你捌看過嘛。所以就變咗學見我 start 是 because 我 start online 成日 online 是做我係 online 是我 personal journal 啊，我講只 LGBT 嘅 issue 到底下邊 ，because 意思上我嚟講是只大影響咯，因為伊了20幾年嘅 searching 嘅 time 咧咋，所以我俾當今講出來，所以別個人免行過一條路，我行過一條路，我第一行一條路咧，就是我想講我自己一人成日，我唔知講我靠別人有人 experience 成日。
特別 John，actually 那是講爸母㗎。爸母無借會有少債淡薄嘅，
有人。
你安怎逃避阮爸 ？because 我個有一個 我個一個 cousin 啊，伊細細漢，伊2歲爾啊，我就感覺伊有安尼款嘅 inclination 樣嘢啊。tapi it is not that 伊人唔知，伊人袂頭，I mean 啦啊。
In denial。
deny 講有安尼事，and up to today up to today it's something that 伊人冇講。唔講 about it 嘅because 伊嘅 parents 真正 old fashion you know 所以我阿個伊嘅哥知啦 tapi never 講嘅 but 我 suspect because 我哥伊細細漢我會知嘅嘛但冇理由我去問伊嘅嘛
即是伊人嘅 privacy 啦伊家己 choice 嚟
對，伊若是無甲我講冇理由我去問伊你是安尼我嘛哪會使去問人安尼 that's very rude 對哦 tapi我感覺講啊，無理由嚇，若是講一個人外人then the parents 啊會知啊，會 pick up 啊 ，parents 未 pick up 嘅。
tapi sometimes 你是 pick up， tapi pick up 咧，伊攞裝咯，一個就是你 deny， 你家己 deny 呢，你 parents 本 deny 咯，對。And then the second one 就是伊人就是成個默默鬼班，然後就是 immediately be try to diagnose and try to correct 咯。
特別我 mother 冇喎，我 mother 冇上喎，我 mother 變到是細歪面。when 我 from 3 start 加人拍拖，แล้ว行到21歲，แล้ว冇去了，แล้ว上講嗰陣時講。驚講，有陣時 father 冇啲啊，แล้ว出 mother 想驚 mother worried 嘛，แล้ว我冇坐一個 girlfriend 對處咯，แล้ว yes，แล้ว坐對去แล้ว一個 girlfriend 本是白啲 good friend 嚟嘅，แล้ว冇去對去幹嘛？你講這是我嘅 girlfriend，แล้วbằng對處了咯，แล้ว the next day 我 mother 講，你唔係坐雜波對嚟個好啦，你坐雜波對嚟個好。你講緊食好
我 Google fact hack
แล้ว就是OK 原來是嚇你數，原來是我冇講，嘛啲個基本會知，所以 OK 咯，唔能講了咯，伊了解我心，我了解伊心就好了咯。
Tapi 即係 Asian parents 本身嚟講啊，你冇講 never had the conversation， 或者係朋友本身嚟講，伊人冇講嘢咯，所以伊人係你是伊人在伊人第一做會教嘅就是。伊冇去問。喲，你 popcorn 啊，就講你先。
pop 嚇？
你細聲個講過，就講過。
哇！一堆去。
哎呦 ，popcorn 啊 ，pop 嘢。嗰就是我未講過，啲個記錄咪講我能講個啦，大聲。
冇了，聽呢。
到差別分。
我們是聽呢。
即係講聲個你聲，即係講聲，即係講聲未好事，沒事。
係啊。
OK，我咪你人同劍啦嚇，我 feel 到 sometimes 你感覺到可能看不起，還是可能 bully。是有當時 ，because 你嘅 power 到底到落去咯，when 人會用你嘅 sexuality as a ransom 嘛。按照講啊，好嘅，sorry 我冇咩啊講吧 ，because when I deal with 呢個 issue 時個咧，我是到啲 US， 所以我咪夾個咧是正嚟。
你所以同劍嗬，我個我哋都攞人哋 dangerous。
嚇？
嗱，攞人哋Malaysia嚟嘛，同劍。
冇，你冇係人爆啊喎！你冇係人爆啊！
我 out อันไหนกูเนอะ I don't know because Penang 嘅 community I think ว่า out for quite some time 啦 and been quite open with most of my friends 啊。
你冇 out 係你變咗可能爆啊咯，所以 sometimes 你用佢哋 as a ransom 嚟。講你講啦嚇，我去講出嚟人聽，你講出嚟人聽咯，佢成個人制㗎了呀。佢成個當劍，定當時邊啲學人頭啦，做事咪是人講咯，你波曉啊，笨蛋啊咩講啊，笨蛋唔係學句啊，佢成個人制啊。
我照咪，我照咪香港人特別講係死基佬，แล้ว我講 OK 咯，我係基佬，冇相干嘅，下次你嘅仔都係基佬。
嗰啲我感覺到啊。我 我講我哋Penang是較 OK，較冇問題咯，not that dangerous 咁樣咯。呀，我 better because 我嘅 hometown 是喺Perak嘛，Perak 瓜拉港沙。
瓜拉港沙，哈。
啊，華南一隻，所以唔敢 come out 嘅嘛。所以Penang我住只 free 嘅，very freely，冇插冇做去物件，我本。
你細漢那到韓文是家地頭啊，真係可能是你到啲瓜拉港沙，你是特別卡咪加做咯，愛做嘅物件。
唔加做，
做路就
怪怪咯。
較爭啦，較成日做路想嘢 against 個嘅 will 就成日爭。
嚇，爭
較 feminine 咯嚇。
咖啡不是情課啦，情shirt 啱tomboy 嘅啦。
嚇，做咩事我妹啦？做咩事路做咩事？一成日壁畫當見未去情觀嚇呐？係邊個雙方是邊個情？成日所以你成 against 你個嘅，咪嘅成日即係做下事叫你情義散，可能係一種你想你 naturally 就賣小矮啊嘛，對唔對？
嚇，對，是咯。伊什麼咧？伊樣我當個朋友本時講，你情觀啦，看你個水嘛，個茶煲咁樣啊，講無像 suspect 你是lesbian 啊，係咪啦？你講我情觀還是無情觀，我本是 still lesbian 嚟，對冇？對。你 outside appearance 啊，本是被影響到你內邊嘅嘛，你內邊是你家己內邊有嘅嘛，唔是講啊。對，你使騙家己咯，較好你家己出來咯。
我古早細漢時候，我其實啊，是我拍拖嘅面就，我真正太細啊。嚇 ！Because 我冇識人 the way that people look at us，you know。嚇！我會把酒我真正冇識嘅。
人看路人啦，係啊。
人腦可啊 ，there's zero fuck given。
你是唔是就正 free？你嘅 energy 免了到啲咧，別人看你嘅目睭看咗看你啊，你就頭 focus on 你自己呢。
我面學會啊！
我後見人用嘅係目睭看，我講緊做咯。
extra bonus 嚟嚇。
我繼續。
我是tomboy嘛。我有時看，因為有人是看哎呀關係啊，迄個啫。比如我朋友嗬，尤其是查某甲查某嗬，迄個樣佫較儕人看了樣。
哦，你是講成I see。
尤其是冇好多 long hair 我咧，成查某看咧。
lipstick
較儕人看了樣。
lipstick。
誒，這點我有一個 question 啦，ask about lesbian dom 先嚇。古早嗱 90s or earlier 20嘅時候，我 try to 有捌到朋友lesbian tomboy，but 伊人真正無 friendly，真正無想愛甲我人打波講話，佢樣真驚 something 嘅喎，是唔是安尼款？
我甲打波嗰時是 brother 迄個喎。
我拄着一波，樣真驚。
特別見我講聽，我 experience 我講你講。
嗰時有當時我甲打波，好像是想，比如好像是暑假上這物件。Maybe feel threatened。想打波本嘛？你都唔請做啊？
哦 ，competition。
特別我 feel 就是伊人嘅 bad experience。Because 只打波哈，你看啦，只打波對人安怎啦，一個對 lesbian 嘅查某安怎？伊人看你樣像有人 attack 伊人咧 ，maybe 講 verbally 或者咩 attack 伊人咧，所以變咗冇 trust 打波呀。
有可能哦。
特別冇啦，我較濟我係 lesbian friends 嘅了這樣。就啱。
我朋友嗰陣有打波本嘅，嗰陣咪是肯嘅。
我當今 OK，古早嘅時我講。
Maybe 啦 ，maybe 定到是人卡，就是講咪人 attack 啦，成個 OK， 所以我每路人啦，一定就最參 ，especially identify as gay 啦，你參打即係係我當嗰時是參嗰啲查某嘅。
對，
我會想，我 feel 到查某打波不離。
查某 and 真好，
我哋都冇咩想。
我冇咩想。我即係係咪嚇？我best friend in primary school 是 gay 嘛，所以我想參為 best friend 啊嘛。Of course again Wang tu si bo take part in lim kata po activities you know. Masih example PE si lang le他football wang lagi 拍 badminton 啊，或者个怎么跑哦，something like that 啦。
我是啲 secondary school 嘅時，佢 OK 有人知，有個人無知，有人懷疑 ，OK 耍無關我事。然後咱 break time 嘅時 recess 嘅時，咱莫去 toilet 幫助咯。但咱個關係無接 cubicle 嘅嘛，咱莫徛啲壁位很轉。按照我徛，我未教嘅時，嗰人擺喺邊，但我徛喺邊，嗰人 boom， 嗰人就叫。
為什麼大條？
人驚你搶你係見
會大條哦。
冇啦，唔是驚我看啩。
係啦，驚你看啦。
係咯，
咪是好多嘅情氣個。
你應該就大條嘅數啦。
冇啦，驚人看，人就講哎呦，自己報曉嚟啊，走個了。
嚇，好，
一陣時就講啦 ，Please don't flatter yourself, you so ugly。
Actually 我感覺到報曉啊，你知報曉咪是一班就，咪是有爸爸我咪冇想咧。
冇就是講人家己 threaten 咧，issue 是別人啊 ，issue 是別人，issue 是人 threaten 啊，對，跟他 threaten。
我要冇講路人啦，我是把小我唔愛閃啦。
人就 wrap up 咗，人
อันนั้นไม่เป็น wrap up
啊，almost 2 hours แล้ว喎。
Yeah。
人 okay, so 人 share 人個了 like-minded share，but 人會講 about 成個淡薄冇想法嘅人嘅discussion 咯，成個講 OK， 你安怎reconcile between 人嘅 Malaysia society with kind of progressive human rights issue。
这冇問題。
人安怎？
我在愛笑。
人有希望哦。你講你希望人有一日馬來西亞卡 I mean please 你看 US progress 我人同我對會使教應啊嚇，本來你一人 attack 我人個，所以你未 accept 講。
我 feel 到我哋識只恐嚇咯。
恐嚇我俾聽。
Malaysia 個恐嚇誒。
Neighboring country like Thailand。ilang ai 做 gay marriage 啊，แล้ว Malaysia กลันตัน Terengganu ตีเป็น objection อีก講ลูลัง做แล้วเวลาอาลังก็เลยเจ้ากี่เป็นเก่าเอ็นเบซัยวาลังเบซัยวาลังบันตา
อีลังบันตาเสียมเตล้ออ่ะ
yes
tapi because Malaysia is a Muslim country
yeah
ก็ขันข้อต่ำโปล่ะ
yeah
It's not the society at large. Tapi politicians hide behind the banner of Islam. Now, holu cinta cehel aja.
Jagung, are you 35? 355?
Kami.
Are you 355?
Are you 35?
Anal sex ya?
Bo, that is the hudud.
Syariah.
Hudud.
Oh.
มันโบขุดล่ะ
Okay, so เราไปเที่ยว how long is struggle Malaysian struggle
I mean as you go as long gone I mean it's going to be 真正 a long fight okay 真正 I don't know whether we are going to get there in this century
we ever get there
this century and frankly 到底 US 我唔是冇 expect 講 gay marriage 係快
Tapi, that's got look put it this way lah. It look kaya cuci gua kau lah. Ulang colu anything bo mas yo in Malaysia even.
No, that's why we are. I mean, not only talking about gong like just being gay with ourselves, but one call about even like people who are trans ni, what around what have quite trans friends so. Sometimes when one yang call the abuse that they face, the discrimination, I mean, also
friends, can call because ilang image change 嘛，對。แล้วnasi kong isi tenglang asi kelenga asi Eurasian, ibu bokong ane kan call. But if isi Muslim, it cinta kan call 咯。
Oh, yes, agree.
我俾 address 把 Jagung 嘅 comment 啦，講你講成個話時，as a gay man 我到底 Penang okay 我係出去做 anything okay nothing but 你有 feel yeah but listen to this but I'm aware of it though I'm aware that there's a possibility that somebody can harm me.
It's in your mind. You think.
But that's true. Why 做咩事話我呢 idea 就是 because 我在講人society they accept in general. Straight 嘅人行出去個框 when do they have to think that because I'm straight I will get attacked? When does a straight person they have to think that? That is not equal human right. When in society so 樣冇。
我冇 understand。時間你行出去，you go about your daily life as you do. Why should people attack you? Based on what? 你都冇當到伊。
Oh yeah, that's why that is why 做咩事人嘅 bash 都是咁款 because 伊人佢被 confident 所以伊人佢即係 accepting of gay people 係伊人嚟活路咯。
你看唔順白啊？
即係唔係 Malaysia 係 issue 呢？即係 US 本話 what even until today 啊，我本嚟想到 there is a slight chance that when people 看到我 because 我只 flamboyant 嘛掉，所以問看到我時 there's a very high chances that somebody 會嚟拍我嘅就。
小弟話嚟數。
你好，老實講一句啊，我喺Malaysia啦，我行出去啦，我是 straight 啦，我本是真驚，因為太驚人拍槍。因為我行出去話下我都驚了。
阿 John 那是講今日你唔是 gay 啦 ，OK？But 你本是 flamboyant，所以人都拍你哦。
But我冇我 if 我唔是 gay 嚟講啊，我冇你 feel 啦。
But the same flamboyance whether 你是 gay 還是 gay。It doesn't matter.
But my why flamboyance 是可能 it grab 你 attention when you grab 你 attention 嘅時候，咱個看到哦，只件是 gay 嚇，對哦。
有一個人我你講啊 ，straight 嘅啊，tapi本是 grab attention 啊 ，OK？So that doesn't mean that they
Yeah, but that sometimes lang gay bash on somebody who's straight. So that happens, but 伊人嘅 rationale, but like 佢拍人嘅佢
拍人嘅 rationale is not because you're gay, but because ilang betong with flamboyance.
No. That's because the Juju bash ilang is because of is gay, even though is gay, but is flamboyant, like is gay, that's why I keep it. That means US who hate crime is because of young directly. There's no other reason other than the fact that you're gay. Ilang patlu.
No, like Jagung. So just look another example lah. So last year the Indian boy who he has never identified as gay. He's just a bit more effeminate. Flamboyant. Because he's one of my friend and neighbor like. Okay. So
but attract attention.
He is just effeminate, but still at the same time, he was beaten to death. Just because he's a bit annoying.
And ilang
tu sinui mo salah.
Sorry,
ilang pai without provocation. Anay kwan pai niya because iganui.
Yeah.
Oh, if you read the news,
That's stupid.
They pull him off because he like he made burger. Then this group of Indian guys saw him, track him off. Okay. Now another friend tried to fight because it was quite a gang of them. Pull him off, took him to the playground, and then just beat him and sodomize him. I mean, not sodomize with the dick lah. They use. Yeah, they use I think bottle or something to sodomize him.
God.
So and it has nothing to do with outward appearance, because Yeah, our appearance is
Okay.
other than
I also have issue. I also have issue lah.
Nah, look at why cao gay bo gay.
We call the list screen lah.
Tu看不行。
看不到。
We continue. Hey, we also have issue here. Sometimes lang put the blame on Wang just because you're so flamboyant. 你咧，做咩事？你被行路你夠搖，係咪？我都冇笑。我唔是 don't put that blame on me. If the issue that you have is because I'm gay, don't blame it on me that I flaunt my gayness so that you can come beat me up. There's no reason that you have to beat me up because I'm gay.
你佢講啦，我都唔是，我那是行，你都唔是用你身軀行。
But some, you know, like some people have issue lah, deep issue 你就樣嚟 hate 啊。真正 deep 嘅就，所以伊人看到樣是只 ground 嚟活路。
Just that 我講過你 Negeri Sembilan 你 transgender woman yang the perpetrators 佢講 just because they do not like transgender people. So
that's enough.
It's enough for them enough excuse for them to beat up. So this woman have to die.
But there is a law. 你suka冇suka？因為你講我冇suka看這個人嘅面，因為你成日排人。
是哦 ，yeah.
It's the same thing. It's the same thing. 有個人嘅面，咱冇suka，咱看咱有個人嘅面本質，但係 doesn't mean 咱去排人嘛，對哦。
哇！我拍死咗幾人咯。
你唔是人你看到你 clap eyes on that person，你suka 嘅人嘅嘛，對哦。So does that mean that 你人你看到你冇suka，你使去拍人，別嘛？
Well, to those people, you know, they feel that being trans is wrong. Then you know it's against their religion. They do not like it. Now you must keep higher. So she's lying in the hospital right now.
Which part of the religion 叫你去拍人 ？Which part of the religion 叫你拍人
They just take the reason.
Excuse excuse like.
I saw somewhere like I don't know like I'm not saying that you know I mean Islam is a bad religion or something, but somebody quoted like there was one from where like, I saw on Twitter. You know it's okay to kill your enemies or something.
我講啊 if you feel so strongly about that, then you pray for that person 啦，他們是拍人。
哎呦
，pray 咯。
我咪是只人咪是會 pray 我我定打死pray for you girl。
要做 exorcism
It worked. It worked.
Stop 你講嘅 diva。
到時樣 pray 我就借我 diva energy 出嘅了。
就個 why 咯，我免 pray punishment 個加 strong。
Oh gosh.
So
but anyhow ultimately 人是人嘅了，特別你即係冇機會。有拄到無上人叫 QQ 人，忘記 QQ 人，所以我自己寫出來。Because OK，咱咪是講 straight 咯，人 straight 人就有人講跌嘛。แล้ว有人是講你玩跌咧，你講那是你 gay 咧，咪是歪咯。我講by 歪會有 bad connotation，你就 like bad like you know。所以我講我咪歪，我是 Q 嘅，成個跌膜嘅 Q 膜嘛，所以我咪是 QQ 咯。
哦。
嚇。就你講歪，你偷嚟看，我係冇歪，佢當我同學。
I John L, I John J, OK？
一句更係點把起嚟嘅？
我冇頂。
更追。So but 人 when 你人我 believe 我相信講，那是講你人講個落唔知物件，唔捌看過面，捌拄過人，那是講你會放出嚟面到底下邊，你會知講我嘅親戚是覺得我出來人點解我係家己人，我是 trans， 所以我細漢個大漢變做我關係去，你知道，所以變做外人別人看到是真奇怪，特別我對我來是講，伊是我阿哥來是，你叫阿哥，所以伊上伊無，我再講伊無上，我再講伊是。Previously 特別 because 係只錯，所以我再講是特別講叫一個，咪是咁了。對我嚟講就冇呢 weird， 就冇呢奇怪。你對我是意思我阿哥呢，就這樣。
All about 關係去看這項物件，按照你去
I think it's acceptance more so than 關係。我古早我諗細漢嘅時， 佢哋人大話人。
你特別 exposure 你個關係。
佢哋人大話對面厝嘅嚇，係是打波嚟，特別伊女啦，你就係跟女嘅啦。Then, but he keeps himself to himself. 你出來kalau講 hello，安尼看伊無咩尋人。Maybe it's also because he self-conscious. But that was we are talking about 40年ago 啦。We're not talking recently 啦，yeah. And ilang in a way they don't say that to his face, but they refer him as Chabo Heng. But yang bo kyo that in face.
Of course.
Tapi they are civil, they talk to him. I mean, 解講話all that 啦。伊無講你知古早嘅人啊，大啲土地啊，伊人接觸 each other 嘅厝嘅，你知冇？
每佢開嘅啦，
每佢開嚇。但係伊一人呢，伊較 private， 伊無開伊嘅門，伊拄着路伊有講話 ，you know pleasantries。But then it's acceptance， 無人講伊無好話，唔捌講伊無好話啦。Apart from the fact that 人 refer to 伊叫伊嘅時，伊人講嗱查某興對嚟啦，嗱是蝦米安尼款嘅物件啦。唔捌講 anything bad about 伊，我唔捌聽過。因為我人細細漢甲大漢，我人唔捌聽過。That anything negative asked about this person. So I guess it is society really play such a big role in that.
But at the same time, you cannot deny the fact that the reason why he has to want to remain private is because he knows that the society does not accept the norm.
But the fact that
even though
he thinks they won't accept, but they have not.
But the world is not just them. The world 唔是淨係 enable 呢。when 你出去時，你一個人講，一個人在是規世界人講個了是嚇死是伊唔知啊。Oh my god！ 我估。
Toilet 是嘛？是 boss 啊，是 mute 啊。
我無超啦，咪亂啊，白樓推啦。
劍條落啲大條做咩？落幾少劍條嘅？
你即係是，即係講你即係嚇 that fear 嚇，你 experience 過啊？你個就係講即係都冇人 attack 伊歪你就係看 that is the power of the society。人講即唔是 society fault，就是特別你知我細細漢我聽，你聽人講，還是厝內人，還是邊啊 neighbor 講about，我做咩事就係講我嘅人嘅，我做咩事驚，做咩事我被 pray the gay away。Because 我聽就係 either from church，還是 from 家己人，還是 from 朋友，有人叫我喂笨蛋，喂報曉查某兄叫我就講 that name calling is not meant to encourage me. That name calling is meant to press me down. So 我係講，哈咧是伊人嘅樣嘅口氣啊，樣講嘅個了我聽到唔嘅 collectively 就是做好我就講我比賽安尼款嘅。
But 伊人叫你啦 to your face 啦。
等啊，人所以你就講係你一細漢時無條不理過不咩？對，你細漢過時伊樣影響過時到學等嘅，即係正面嘅話影響冇時到啲學等嘅，到對佢到對奶。So 變咗係你就是就變咗咩事見奶人款呢？
特別 what you saying is true. Gina among Gina 啦。They are the most cruel.
就是有冇 filter 一隻頭。
Because 伊人冇 realize how damaging it is.
對。
伊人冇 realize how hurtful it can be to the next person. 伊人講了對伊人是講出
歡喜。伊
人笑人伊人冇 realize how it will affect the other person when 伊人 group together and they don't realize. Looking at what today what I post on Facebook because I saw that bullying taking place in GMN Global Malaysian Network. Okay, 我beta 下咧，我 post 呢。一人bully for the sake of bullying. Okay, 伊無插路是嘴，路是大路。They just want to they are opinionated. Everybody has an opinion. True. Kata lama opinion. But why is it that your opinion means so much to others when other people's opinion means nothing to you?
That's testing sorry 我唔係派啊誒啦攞點幾正嘅話啦，真係少算。我我未看啷advice or real final statement 未講好未？
我今日條Penang是較好了啦，做來做好啦，無阿咪歹啦，介了不順順行，然後我面對嘅物件，介了本是 quite normal 啦，係想係咱咪做去當人身故，咱做咱家己嘅法，都是順順利利了，無去插無去關係咪物件。
別人
but again 冇啦冇冇啦，我是愛咁會啦，所以嚟講都冇習慣啦，嗰陣時，所以佢哋 population 嚟講都冇習慣嘅 ，for example 講佢哋 trans 嘅 community 啦，講你先講
我意思是講我 personal，我家己，人講我冇，安尼看了咯。So what？嚟上個我去買手機嘅時，我冇是計講，你講我買係咪手機？我講我買 Benz，你講住嘢，我講我攞人搞安尼，變到伊人 accept， 伊介紹搞到真係好，樣真係歡喜。
也累嘛，
對啦，I mean 八號邊時啦
，I mean
冇啦，again 就我 point 啦，講，我都講 it's very easy 講，you know，人 just 講人代志嘛，你諗啊，100% member 講，人 those also in our community 講係 the trans especially the trans 啦。Because young person they marginalized, they get the worst of everything lah. You know, what can we do to help them? So this is why I think for me my message.
Yeah.
What I can say is that when we want respect, we also have to give that respect. If we want our voice to be heard, we also have to be ready to listen to other people. We can understand that the minority will always feel suppressed, right? But they will also have to listen to the voices of the people in a nice way. 唔是講人拍你罵你就聽啦 You know what I'm saying is that 咱要再看什麼事伊人 object。how many be accept and which part of the area that they cannot accept and try to come to a happy medium because end of the day we have to coexist with each other both up Lucy straight ka Lucy LGBT ka Lucy we have to
that's true. That's only partially true because that again shows that the standpoint is from somebody who does not have to face that. When I am a trans person, my mere existence is an objection to a lot of people. No, I don't have to say anything. I just have to step out the door outside niya lang to attack one out.
Yeah, but then if let's say lah, if lu tiam and lu bocho anything. You're not going to resolve anything because you are accepting their attacks. But if you fight back, it's not going to help you. So the only thing is you voice out in a nice way and tell them and ask them, okay, lu accept what be chai hamisu. You know, I think a lot of issues can be resolved if we can actually have a meet halfway. And 你會使講人講嘛 ？OK， 當今我穿衫無相甲你，我無用着你嘅淚，我無用着你嘅衫。你若是未看我 ，you can turn the other way，你免看我啦。But actually，我穿衫，查某冇穿衫嗎？
我是有咧，
查某我穿衫嘛？我是查某，我做搭波。真係查某 also 穿褲嗎？冇咩？
Why advise 呢 ？Especially for trans community 就是成日Jagung講嘅呢 ，yes， 你特別有 communication and education， 你可以 make progress。So， but 唔是隔了人 especially LGBT community 啊，特別lend 人嘅 extra effort to 人嘅 trans community because 我 understand 伊人要行嘅路比我人嘅靠近一啲。 Wá-lâng already fight 只隻Wá-lâng ，it get away from a lot of stuff because we don't look like them. So 你特別call 女人，所以那唔是講 only LG，人 like gay, lesbian and bi 呢。人嘅 ally，人講只隻當代表是 in support of，人平常講哎呦，這個嚟嘅，啊，裝準備試過，而且當今嘅世界個人 bully 人嘅款，女人就是人講嘅時出現是講，你看到你啊，哎呦，看到一個 transgender 人講，哎，你看你，喲，你看咁係看伊，伊成個是十波嚟嚇，十波嚟嚇。你黑時就是 education moment 你都俾人講，你冇插伊，你插佢十波啊，講得咩數？但都俾 respect 伊 as an individual。
I think instead of 講都插佢十波啊 ，maybe you should say if it were a choice lah, you think if they want to be what they are, if they have a choice.
That's choice and another thing. Everybody thinks that it's choice. That's a problem. Everybody thinks it's a choice. That's why they want to change it. If they believe that it's not a choice, they would not have said that. But also, okay, I wouldn't understand. Maybe I'll just have to cut into 2 shows. I wouldn't understand. 講這人唔是特人，唔是 attack 人嘅可能。Sometimes 人妹是 impartial and curious. So 你別使 lash out on everybody when they ask it's because you can that blah 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 咩啦？
問自己的個拍㗎啦。
啊，你別使人妹事你講別你冇關係咪？特別你做咩事別使？啊，是你是看咪使？哦 ，maybe 有可能是 maybe 是trans man 還是 trans woman 啊？你會使講，但你要見你咪做嘅時候，哎呀，hello，呀，等於成個怪物呢，你知道？成個人就係，你看住睇呢喲，啊你看呢，這是叫做 microaggression 啦，你冇 attack 伊啊，特別你講你口氣講這個人嘅時候，變做你 support 係你 attack 伊人嘅agenda，就是講你看到你是怪怪嘅，去拍伊，所以你特別細緻，你講嘅可能是講你有機會啦，講你明白同佢你聽過人嚟講嘅 conversation，人講，哎呀，你看住睇喲，咪笑伊啊，你在往時成日招朋友呢，誒，你看住睇。
唔係上卡古渣，
這是 microaggression 啊！
你 disable 你啦，
啊，係咯，你看自己你哋按咗係超你設計啊，講自己冇超嘅啊，你看當劍啊 progress 啊，你冇人喺香港人講到成，哎呦，亂係 root 嚟啊！
我覺得是乜根據我嘅力嚟。
嚇，咁
啊？Cause 因為我唔識講冇嘅 something 咧，其實我冇明白佢數，就打波好咪做俾佢讀下去看。
哇爛！
I was so pissed off 咧，我成日講，我上尾臭我講，緊咧，你是保時學，你可能讀學，你冇讀你來你做咩？
你咪做咪，你未識咪做咯。
嗱，我都冇諗住讀咯本，誒，你成你看唔知諗住讀咯本喎。
所以伊人
你佢啲面層卡。
伊人用家己嘅 experience 啊，別 empathize put yourself in other people's shoes，伊人家己是想，伊人家己把，別啦，我們會甲波 intimate，我別啦，我吉利，就是成個我你別我甲查波 intimate 呢，看就是想啊嘛。
因吉利係咪啊？頭先你當咪是當我人招？
人啊，當你家己姑姑 every day。
不。
But anyhow, 你特別人特別人 support 啦，人在講樣個 marginalized 個 compared to 別人 of like LGBT community. Then at the same time, ally 就要緊 ，ally 就是講你人個了聽到無，你人在講嚇，做咩說呢奇怪？你都是人講嘅時候，你特別有機會。educate 人就有機會改人啫，即係冇，即係唔是冇，即係冇有啲講喂 life 啊就 normal 加上by boring 嘅。
你地方係個 boring 咩？
因為地方喂 life 就 boring， 我就話冇 clubbing 啦，冇啉酒，冇掃汗，我做咩啊？我影嘅時落嚟樓卡寫字，哇，個地方嗬。
你 flamboyant 你地方咧，成 Beyonce 咁樣。
嚇咩嘢？
你好似 Beyonce 定 Diva 咧啊！
你講咩配？你講咩配
？Flamboyant。
你是 retired diva 啦。
我 retired diva 冇啊 diva，我係 diva 咩？
冇啦。
這點我 diva 咩？這點。
有啦，真係冇地方。
地鐵特別講嘅地方都冇。
有，真係冇。你可能
我地方是 because of my confidence 數，我 feel 到我只安尼一年20幾年就逃避掉嚇。我當今啊，我是我 man filter， 我愛做咩我就做咩。If you have a problem that's yours to solve。
地方講我講，地方講我嗱。
這是路，那是來問題，這是路數。地方好了，我地方少者好像烘個吹。
叫我過烘，
叫我個烘個就是 Beyonce 咯，你看 Beyonce 30萬人咧，會。Oh my god， 我點知啊 ？OK， 我特別冇 record 出嚟啊！我係 second part 嘅 second part 嘅 closing 乜嘢 ？OK， 當然講個一邊成。禮拜咧，我覺得呢條冇上話題，即係話題咧，時我被講是被我看到啲新聞咧，我真係被打喊咯，了有辦奧地對 ，especially 每我佢被講我講 OK，yes， 咱講嘛，這 subject，because 有當時啊，一樣講到那款嘅物件，我 feel 到我冇 voice 或 opinion， 我 feel 到我有 the miss opportunity to 個人 address， I feel 到成個話。In support 那是講話 my silence is a support to those ignorant voices. Sorry 我不要講，這禮拜你是Penang Hokkien 阿嬤，唔是Penang阿嬤，是Penang Hokkien。Penang阿嬤 ，OK， 那感謝這禮拜我特別嘉賓，你讓我咩補槍，我就咩補槍。我咪講 last word 就係咩？免插人數咧，就插呢個技術係濟 ，OK？ 免兩你辣咧濟 ，OK？ 到離婚插離婚。你
講係咩啊？
我感
覺咧，你先，成日同我講Malaysia 有可能 legalize gay marriage 上去冇，我感覺我係一個 lifetime 應該是看冇啦。
未死。At least 買嚟安裝我哋嘢啦 ，legalize。
但係我冇需要教人係咪物件，就成日都買嚟得我哋嘅。
accept Wá-lâng。In Malaysia, accept Wá-lâng就好啦。
Actually 我有真濟嘅，嗰啲，and then 有幾那叫真搞到就係所以我講真好。
Another thing 我就是講acceptance，同埋啲家己講俾 accept。我成日對唔住物件，當然我俾記。
老啦。你買裡面那些 yogurt 啦。
嚇，特別只係 yogurt 啊？
買只那隻 yogurt。
哦，買只那隻 yogurt 啦。Acceptance， 哎呀，同我講咩 ？acceptance 我笑對面搞笑咪掉，法蘭講成。
等我講個字道啦 ，acceptance， accept Wá-lâng。
試我就未 keep 一齊講pressure。你咪嚟。
安裝Wá-lâng。
接受Wá-lâng。
Girl。
哎呀，我小 Vicky，but anyway，
I think bottom line is both have lu si chui， lu to I respect each other。
yeah，
對。
咯，lu 這個物件唔是 about accept。
哦，有我想掉啦，你同我講，大家講 sorry 喎 ，acceptance 我同你講lu。我是有啲人啦，所以 confusion 嘅一個 message 就是講，伊唔是，伊路都唔是，伊都冇 identify as an LGBT， 喺你就做一隻 confuse 就是講，路伊人咪 acknowledge your existence，sometimes 你只 ignorant 就是，伊人咪 acknowledge your existence 啊 ，so that 伊人就會 accept the fact that LGBTQ community exists 啊。That is the first step. Also, is to oppression is to deny your existence. 我就被打，我真係被打。
Android deny 你講者？
伊人冇插，即係there's no such a thing as LGBT. That's because you are influenced by evil and devils influence, and therefore 你變做gay, therefore 你變做 transgender. But there's no such a thing as LGBTQ. It is only your own creation. That is a
change if you want to You can change if you want to.
Yeah, if you put a lot of effort in it, you can change.
But okay, if that's how they view it, then tell them, if I don't want to change, what concern is it of yours?
Still.
So mà có người you're wrong thôi, because your religion. Because then they'll bring the religion. Có religion say so mà. So you're against the religion, so you're a deviant. See, actually, this is what especially for the for Na, it's like, they always get the city on the corner,
Hana, mình講就係 issue 啦，你咪講就係 issue 啦。Any issue 本是伊人 hide behind the religion 嘅啦，即係物件 it is political. It is nothing to do with religion.
Oh yeah, okay, wait. Can you all see this?
Okay. In an official statement on the Ministry of Federal Territory page, Khalid Samad stated, the government is very serious in dealing with this radical belief. But hopefully this initiative can mitigate the LGBT culture from spreading into our society. So they believe that is, you see, this is the ignorance of this is a level of ignorance that we have to deal with.
That's the reason why look, Besaikong is a religious thing. It is a political thing. Politicians don't politicize it. Besaikong is religious and matter.
What may end with a hopeful note this is my personal positive belief. 我唔制講幾時人society 嘅 accept 人 but I don't care, it's not their problem. It's not I mean whether or not you accept my problem. But I believe because of the future generation, the old thinking is gonna die out eventually. It's not gonna go away if everything's not gonna go away, but already you make progress. 你話小人，你問講係你係咪憑啥本好黃拿叫另一頓人又好 opinion 已經慢慢換啊，咱嘅先你知道啦。所以舊時係老頭腦嘅人，較認識較濟，唔是講未照認識啦，特別有時老咧攰咧，你老頭腦嘅咧慢慢補起嘅時，咱嘅社會有可能會較唔相。
咱叫老大了，先你一代出來了。
So 當今咧講個一邊性啊嚇，無能為我過個10段啊。你話我內發嘢啦，佢啊，是冇辦法，等個另外一發個實先嘅發去啊咯，當然。
你掛十幾段本好 ，the fact remains that there are people on both divide. Okay, the 你掛7段本是像嘅。
Yeah, but the fact that most of the time 伊人係你 against LGBT 嘅 society。有真正濟權力，有真正濟 power to 講一樣嘅 message。But until LGBT 啲 oppressed group 嘅人冇攤 voice 嘅叫 opinion。But now 啦有 ，unless 你冚埋大啦，係你話補插，你say that's not my thing to control.
John, the most important thing is if you respect yourself, nobody can take away that respect from you.
做咩事我誒 diva， 做咩事我 Beyonce 就是 annoy。我 accept 我嘅技術，你話 diva 就出來啊，我 Beyonce 就出來，我咪幫 Beyonce 掛啫。
你家己看袂起，你家己啊，別人個看袂起。That's how I feel 啦。
Yes。
你家己 stand firm，你家己看會起，it doesn't matter what people think or.
Yeah, but at the same time that 我做咩事我有係你 luxury 啊，但係我講我有你 luxury，我特別 assist。Because of oppression. Why is it called oppression? Oppression is to make you feel small, make you feel take away your confidence. So it's a vicious cycle. So 我人特別 break through 嘅 cycles 嚟講。
Even if you be change 別人you can change yourself by having more self-respect for yourself. You respect yourself first, and eventually people will change their opinion.
But let's see, you come to terms with look at you. Oh my gosh,搞個亂。if you're not ready yet, it's okay. But 你咪去教人交代係咪咪嘅？有件事你 在講 there's nothing wrong with yourself. That is the first thing because you have to break away 一人假如講you are wrong, you're bad, you're evil, you're wrong, you're abnormal. Hale thought you have to take that out. That we're spreading the belief, hey, so 冇插你 government 講係咪物件本好？你在你自己，你就是講我 believe in God 嘅人，你在講伊學你嘅你can be innate，你裏邊嘅物件，你 born with a nature 是係咪物件？你在講你自己是安怎嘅？我 but never 自己在去 check 起來講，I decide to be gay just because Beyonce, right？ 我冇，我。You know what？你成日我愛見到咯咩？應見嚇！我大隻學人bully 去，我當時學人bully 學人這樣叫名，係咪講你成日就落隻好見咩？我就是未經係就落。But now I've learned it. I've gained my confidence. I've gained my respect. 我準備說，我看到時我覺得 another thing another cut it into 5 parts already. 我 feel 到我講我特別夾黑市啦，我小20幾歲是少年時，我想講我特別有我特別是成功，特別有 success 有 achievement， then that will help my case to convince my family to my friends 講 hey yes I'm gay but I'm also successful and diva so 伊人未看到講，伊人未成個講 make excuses 講because 就是女人看到了女 because 你 gay 了你嘅全部講啦。But
我可能想法啦。
哇，
人啦。
阿邊冇估，我 first come out 嘅時我爸講你女後兜都是去俾他吹
I love it. I love it that straight people I love it how straight people only think gay people as sex only, you know. I love it. 你兩唔係去看，你去食教應嘅時候，見面攞人鋪被笑看，見面攞咪吐人鋪，就是人去笑，看到 gay marriage. Oh my god, butthole. Why? Why? 你去食教應時，你去笑啦，伊安怎人家吐伊薄我冇吧？你做咩事？你紅響你睇到 gay couple 教應時，你就想到 gay sex， 你個 keeper 你明嚟講混亂。
對。
講嘢，gay sex 係咩物件？我哋 straight guy 咪看嚟係 lesbian 嘅 gay porn。
就我同你講嘛。係是特你 straight porn 呢？就係好似你 girl on girl 嘅你 sexual。
有鬆啊，你有鬆。
Cater for 你 straight man 嘅 fantasy 嘛。哎呦sayang，
OK， 面骨呢個
嚇，我係面骨啊 ，Beyonce 面骨。OK， 不少打。OK 啦，my hope full part 就是講，把刀人嘅少年係一代online society 啦 ，I believe maybe 冇到底 why lifetime 啦嚇，把刀人聽到即 archive 是啷企咧即係 museum 嘅 garage 是除咗即 recording 啊 maybe。放咗 archive 出嚟先，夾呢。
There's nothing wrong with loving who you are. She said,
OK， 好嚟，感謝你人起嚟教人講一個較少講漢講嘅話題。下禮拜人，我另外一個話題係咩？下禮拜話題係咩？阿妹一個。我未記啊，阿妹一個。三六八咧，
是啊，你話你
對，但我都講咧，就但我冇聽到。OK， 嗰個not as important but it's also nice to talk about. OK， OK，sorry 啊，叫這禮拜Penang Amor。OK， alright， 拜拜。等陣Kevin 怎麼介紹知道？我再介紹佢哋知道。Kevin 就是Putu Ketupat。Putu Mayam， 我覺得有個差別，可能係特別你知啊，物件。有時個有啲家己係哪個地段啊？Tien Jagung唔食，毛菇未食。
我未食 ，OK。
唔食。
食
地
電，
都我食過，
食電啦，
我只 confusion 咩？究竟是借電還是食電嘛？嚕？
借電
John,
嚇，豬豬佢都
don't be a drag, just be a queen.
切，
一個地方很解釋。
OK，拜拜，
拜拜。
啊，拜拜。
呢個不得了啊！
哦
OK，困了。
OK，good
困
night。
了，哎，
困了，我不會困了。
我找我 class。
喂，YouTube 嘅人啊，YouTube 嘅人錄掉嘅人。Expect a lot of hate today comment.
It's okay.
Episode. It's okay.
We don't face so much hate in our lives. So.
Wait. OK，嗱嗱是未確定這禮拜 episode 就整第一時這裡 subscribe 就整一隻 number 對 keep 冇記掉啊，私人面。OK。
Lu ai John tengah teh?
嚇？
If lu ai John tengah teh?
Yo。